Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Pass the tambourine! It's all about the tambourine family. I'm here, something. I'm here, setting. That's it to the flipping world.
Everybody, let's get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father.
Whatever, Delmarine. Hi, sister. Whatever, Delmarine.
Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf will be tambour mine. It can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Everybody! Listen it!
Something else up there. Got it. All right. Greetings, people. Hold on. Chuckisha, come out of the class and go fix up yourself and think. I mean, I know how your clothes looks upon your school uniform looks upon. Chuckisha, come out of the class, go back outside and go fix up yourself and whatever. I mean, I know what this and that. Milo, you... I know Milo. I think it was Milo. All right. Big up everybody, large up and thing, we is our day here. Bounty killer talk, don't it? Large up on yourself, man, everything is everything. I'm in here, Ragashanti, and me and my mama last bit, and Mr. Wash Belly, straight up without apology. Duh. It's a joy to be here on a Ben Johnson Day again and thing. It's a Thursday night where I am right now. Yesterday was a very hot day. Today was really hot too, but it's cool tonight. The weather has indeed been haphazard. Yeah, it's kind of cool tonight, It's kind of cool out there in New York City, right? Well, in Queens, New York, you know what I'm saying? Some of us want to say respect and honor to the item and thing, blessings and thing, everything is everything. Today I juggle. Today is Elaine Day. Elaine Day. Right away, people, me just are telling you. Cause some people called before and talked to me about it. All I want to send something to Elaine. Well, those I want to in a TamFam want to know, say, based on certain things where it go down in a TamFam or whatever, we're not going over it. But I have a rule, say, me no want to do nothing. If I not for me, me no want to, me never want to do anything. Anybody send anything to me to give to somebody, So those of you who've been here with me or ride with me, right, you want to know, say, I've been having that rule, But, some people link me and then me link Elaine and we confirm a suspicion. Elaine, I don't know them technical something there, so our TikTok now hook up to an account or whatever. Elaine probably have a whole heap of gift on our account and don't even have access to it, So somebody have to go figure that out for her. But for those of you who want to send something to Elaine, all right, we the team, we talked about it. And myself and Tasha, CBS and whatever. So yeah, just send it to me. If it's Zelle, you Zelle it to me. What else? If it's Cash App, it's Ragashanti, Ragashanti. Of course, Zelle is better. Or else people outside of the country, you can send it through PayPal, ragashanti@gmail.com. Ragashanti, ragashanti@gmail.com. That's just for people outside of the country and thing or whatever. So whatever you want to give Elaine, you send it to me and I'll send it to her. Right. And the last time when you know sending things, I just want to say big respect to Christina because she did deal with that. She did deal with that. I didn't mean have a deal with and whatever and thing. And in terms of sending it though, when you know, so I like call her Tuffy. I know say that in the car, but when I send the money. The last time me did try to use Western Union was a year ago, you know, when the scamming thing they take off a Jamaican thing. And them did allow people for Jamaicans did under pressure them time that you couldn't send to, you know, because of what did I go and send James and whatever and thing. So from that, me no look on that. Me no look on Western Union. So Christina, they make me know. So no money can send through Western Union. Everything balance up back here now. And me send it to the lady who you see. It's really, you know, me put the money upon it, but Sinalicious did really, you know, without me asking, she said, boom, me give the money for she buy whatever, and Sina did send her bills, you know, and then me put, a bill she did ask her, but me put 50 upon it. Well, a bills it did need for she get her what she want to get, but me did put 50 upon it and me send her the 150. I just make her know, me not really put it out there like, you know, whatever, but I just make her know. So, I saw the Western Union thing they go, so, yeah, that's back on stream. I can't just go up on your computer. You know. Yo, I big some of that for we, you know. Right? Because, let me tell you, man, you know, in that Jamaica, man, yeah, send or whatever, you have, you know, that the Western Union line in a supermarket. The good thing about Western Union is that they're everywhere. And then the other one can run them foot at, you know, some, yeah, me use that one there already. Send money. MoneyGram. Money, I saw it name, right? Yeah, me use that one there one time. Yeah. But a big thing for we as Caribbean people are waiting to feel like able to go up on our computer and just deal with the thing with Western Union and thing right there. Because them days when you have to fill out the form, you know. Oh wait, go the yellow one for send, though. The yellow one was for send and the green one was to collect. I saw. That's how you go. Eh? The yellow one was to send. No, the yellow one was to send. The yellow trimmed one was to send and the green one. Oh. And Jameli said Jamaica is still banned on Western. No. What do you, when we send the thing, go get the lady the fish buy our igloo and whatever. Is Western Union did use? Is Western Union did use? So I don't know what Angie Mele there. Angie, stop. Stop, Angie, stop. You put wrong information out there in the public. All right, Angie, stop. Right? Particularly with where we are talking about now, because the people have contribute to Elaine. I don't want people, everybody got things say, and yeah, Angie did I say the money can't send, and him did I talk about him, I send it to Western Union, and he not know right. Angie, stop, you're wrong. What's wrong with her? Me I tell her, I say, I me send the money, go get it there, and whatever, and she still have put both say it, you can't send it. And Tasha said, my mom used it yesterday. Jojo said Western Union is very much active. Angie, you're wrong. All right? We hear them people that are wrong and strong, you know. And she hear me, because she hear what I'm saying, and she hear me say it, you know. What's wrong with her? And them damn moose meat that she eat up there, you know. She hear me say me send the money, go give whatever, and then she come after that and I say, you can't send. Then I must lie me, I tell them. Angie, you lie like sure. Oh, God. See, the beat her, Xavier, beat her. Yeah. They are Canada up a Calgary and name much enough for name and it a mash up our brain down. Yeah. Baby girl Jay, what's up? The water down. You know, I mind think that. So when Angie Mele gone, the little beat she get you run gone. And you come back and you go and like say you don't have thick skin. Look how much time we beat you. Stop. Don't even start. Don't even start. Don't even start. Don't even start. Kingsley, Calabar, all age. Kingsley? Oh, you were trying to write my name. I was like, I said Kingsley, I tried to write Kingsley. Eh? Yeah, the anti-flavors. Yeah, me have to check on it because I know on the time, you know. One look of something on see how I go run in on it, you know. And go and see something in the night, yeah, you know. Cause I'm amongst family. Family. No worries, we soon bring in Elaine after this and thing. We just go on. You know, people, Bailey's is the shit, man. Bailey's is just it, you know? Bailey's is just it, you know? Bailey's is the... Oh, you know what, sir? Well, some people from downtown, I don't know about them. Something. How many times in the years, Raga said, when me was a boy and when me I grew up, you know? Be that you know hear from me, but when we did I grow up, Tia Maria was considered uptown people drink, right? Tia Maria, which is commonly referred to as a coffee liquor. And it was uptown people drink, right? And many of us, so come to you, Bernardine, and many of us downtown, we never get it. We're like, what are them I drink? Because downtown was like white rum culture, which is, and we had that Jamaican white rum, which frankly, I don't think that's good for you. The way Jamaicans them drink it, I get to. Make anybody from country, I get to tell you. A beer white rum used to drink, I get to one country. Beer white rum, it was just a liquor choice, and the brand was Ray and Nephew. Appleton debut, you know, but Ray and Nephew. Monica, I soon come to you with the outside. I said, I soon come to you. But it was Ray and Nephew. And Ray and Nephew was a strong, harsh one. And again, don't ask me, but the standard drinking I get was white rum and box milk. Like box milk, cow's milk. Not, you know, tin milk, you know, but it was a thing in a ghetto or whatever. And in other culture that where we come from, then you did have Guinness and Makiwan strong ale and them look of so-called masculine drink there. But we just never get it. We just never get it. We say, you know, whenever I drink this, and them used to call it brown cow. Tia Maria, it's a coffee liquor, but them used to call it brown cow. And we were like, yo, them uptown people and I drink them things. The uptown people, I mean, them things, you know, whatever. No, I get it. I get it. I totally get it. No, you know, Monica, make I stop with you now, but Raga, Bailey's is a lady's drink. You put in a chat there in a white name there, you know. This is when me have to deal with all of my life with my drink them, you know, what me like, you know. This is the nonsense me have to deal with and whatever. First of all, Monica, darling, you need to go out more often. You need to go out more often, Monica. Look like a long time you not see road, Monica. A long time you not see road. Monica, a long time you not see road. Monica, where you there with a big dance and gangster by them Baileys? I want me to you, Monica. Where you there when the big dance them a hype with them Baileys and thing? Yeah, them drink more and them something there and whatever. A regular Baileys cross the line long time. Monica, you don't go out. Anyway, you go out, but you go out a lot. You don't go out nowhere. Right? And anytime, Chef Lotian, big up yourself. Monica, you don't go out. See, the taller start beat you and say you're a newcomer. You don't go out. You can't go out, Monica, and make that statement there. Baileys is a woman drink. Right? Right? Unless you don't know what's going on in the Caribbean community or Jamaican community. Monica, look for when Baileys around the place. A dance. I want me to you. A crazy man buy Bailey's a dance. I'll hype with it and flash with it and thing and go on with it and show off with it. And what you there, Monica? Monica, I want me to you. Boy, you go out a lot. You probably go out a lot, but everywhere the man carry, you go and carry, and I go hide in one bush. No. You go out a lot, but a bushy man carry, you don't take Monica. Monica, you not go to the right places, them. I be a bush, you go. When the man then carry you out and thing and the man there juggle and thing, all you hear back of you are because you're up on the farm at night, right? Monica said, no, Raga. No, Monica, big and serious. No, seriously, Monica, when I lie to you, ask anybody. Bailey's around the place. Years now. The man them buy Bailey's all the while. Bailey, amongst the Jamaican community, Bailey's is not no woman drink. Now, is it that the men them more likely for drink? You know, more is like the thing amongst, I don't know. Not uptown Jamaicans, you know, downtown Jamaicans, like more and NEC. NEC is just like been there a long time, you know. Joan like hard to read the screen with Raga's green shirt. You have to go work with it tonight. You're lucky. Yeah, and that's go work with it tonight. And I'm following them in a wait enough for my clothes them come over here. Yeah. You have to go read. You have to go work. Let me see if it's hard for read. Oh. Bernardine, what go on?
You know, me used to like you one time.
What me do now?
I'm not going to like you again.
What me do now?
First of all, you're blaming on your screen. But that's okay. But we, the YouTubers, we who like to be on YouTube, we do not like to be ignored.
Okay.
All right. So, yesterday we are watch you.
Mm-hmm.
And we are tell us that we are glitch. And we have to come over TikTok, write it, and goodly darling Christina Brown Sugar jumped on it, got it fixed. No, you're not on YouTube. We don't like you.
All right. You see what you just said? That don't make no sense.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Christina can't fix nothing upon YouTube with this.
She did something and the glitching stopped. Ask her.
Christina cannot fix anything to do with YouTube.
I don't know what she do and it stopped. It was a few of us because I wrote in the comments, is anyone else having this issue? Mr. G and Java and somebody else roll out and say yes. I'm going to come over TikTok and we put it in a YouTube. And you know, pay with no attention.
All right, hold on. Hold on. Christina, you did do anything for stop a glitch yesterday? Post it in whatever you
don't know what happened.
No. Christina, me attack. Christina, you did do anything for stop glitch yesterday? Now wait for Christina. No grave cannot hold my body down.
I don't know what happened, but it stopped. So she asked me if it was still going on. She came over to YouTube. She noticed it. She told you in the comment on TikTok. You did not notice her. So,
all right.
And it was during a particular moment. And this is where I'm getting to.
Right.
It was during a particular moment. And that moment told me that when you're having missionaries and shovels and bicycles and all of those, you're very focused. You can't think about nothing else or do nothing else. You're focused on that one thing.
You done?
I'm just saying.
You done?
Not yet.
All right. Maybe till you finish.
Hello, Raga, how are you?
No,
And
no,
before
no,
you
no, me have
answer
to
me, hold
respond.
on,
No,
because
me
I
have
know
to,
you have
no,
got
no,
done
no,
it.
no,
Hold
no,
on.
no, no, no. No, because you raise your issue where other people are raised, so it's relevant. It's relevant.
And what is that?
All right, so
Which
here we
one?
go.
I raised many issues. Which one is
No,
relevant?
I raise that issue. All right.
Mhm.
But Christina, you did fix anything in a glitch yesterday? Say Christina and I chat no. Christina, you did fix any glitch? You do anything for fix glitch yesterday? I want to say Christina respond. Cause me don't know who Christina for fix it.
Okay,
Christina don't have
I
no
jump
control
over
over
to
no.
TikTok.
See that one big fat no. So you're wrong.
But okay, so she came over to YouTube and asked us if we were still glitching. And
Right?
it was after that the glitching was not happening. So I thought that she had something to do with it.
Okay, so I'm telling you thought wrong.
Okay then.
Right.
All right then.
So what you said to me a while ago about me never pay attention and Christina pay attention and Christina fix it, you're wrong.
But I was half wrong because Christina did pay attention. She did come over.
No. I at no point I talk about paying. Me not reach this yet about paying attention. A while ago, you said Christina fix it. That is what I'm addressing first.
Well, I was under the impression based on
you already established said it under the impression already and thing and whatever. But me, I tell you, do you understand say you did wrong, 100% wrong when you say Christina fix it. And me never fix it, or Christina fix it. So you did wrong.
All right, go on then. Mm-hmm. But I'm going to accept half of the part about go and talk.
No, but we can't continue. If you go draw me about something where me never guilty of and say somebody else do what me did for do and the person never do it. You can't say you're wrong. Because you never ask me, you know. You come here and you say,
hello.
Me never pay no attention and it's Christina fix it. Is that you say? You come on the show and say that.
Well, we never see you paying any attention because you never make
you
mention
still
of it.
The attention. We don't reach this yet. We're going to the attention. We are going to the attention. Me I talk about the thing where you say, me no fix it and it's Christina fix it. All right. Naturally, you see it, she not take accountability.
Okay,
exactly.
So me we take that part, then I will take that part. Moving on.
All right, then. The other thing is, without apology, me just make you know, say, you, when me did the show over YouTube, it was YouTube alone. You know that. All right, then, cool. I want to get spoiled when we did over there, don't it? Talk it through.
Spoiled do what you were
when I used to it. When I used to it. All right. Yeah, because I did one alone. Because of YouTube alone, we did that one, don't it?
Yes.
Right.
No, yes.
Okay, all right. And then the YouTube algorithm, it is such that the way it works over there, for whatever, TikTok algorithm is superior to YouTube algorithm. Okay?
You're okay with that?
You understand that?
Here's my message. I understand.
No, let me finish. No, let me finish now. So, you remember me did stop broadcast over YouTube, don't it? Yeah, me did stop. It's Munchie. It's Munchie, ANC Munchie. Say, Raga, please go over TikTok. Go over TikTok. If you go over TikTok, you can do the show. More people, the TikTok. I'm Munchie, I can't bother because it's not, the use at that time and whatever. Yeah, there YouTube and it's 80 people and so forth. I rather just know the people and I just reason with them because it now, my time now, whatever. Then the other thing over there now too, when we did over YouTube was, it did reach a point where the show was people, two things you don't do on the turn up, right? Two things. Nobody no call. You remember that? Nobody no call. So me
remember that, but
so nobody no call. And then me no and of course there's other thing I probably could have do, but it's just a small thing of people. And then what also evolved was, then this have nothing to do with me. I mean I have no feelings about it, but just I make you know. The thing on YouTube was me turn up and most of the show I go on in the chat. Right? It's a thing. It became, what's your name again? Carol, something like so. Forgot this lady, she did. But the show was the chat. Right? And then when turn, nobody no call, no discussion never go on and nothing or whatever. And then, you know, me the kind of say it to no several times. And I mean, I say, yeah, at the end of the day, you can't beat the people. Man. If you keep a show, you keep a show. You know, you may have to adapt or it's something or whatever to figure out the content and things like that and whatever. So it did go on and then yes, all right, I mix it up a little bit and then after a while, I love it. It's munching. Say, Raga, just go over TikTok. Just go test TikTok. I mean, I say, I can't bother with it, man, because me things that TikTok I just look a pick new. You know, honestly, you know, I was so ignorant. Me think I be a little pick new over TikTok, you know, because anytime I see them, you know, at the pity them I do them challenge and them thing and whatever. I was just lying. It's not for me and whatever. So I'm munching, make me go do it. When me come over here, I was surprised. I was surprised. Cut long story short, I investigate it and thing and whatever. And it's the algorithm. TikTok has a superior algorithm, right? So because of TikTok's algorithm, as some me say, all right, do back your show and get serious again. When me start back your show and I juggle for a while, for a long time over here, you know. But me never did a keep a you. Me never did that wait name there because me just say, me figure it out first and whatever. And then in try to figure it out, like, you know, the other, and some of them they do it for a while over here because the algorithm bring in people call in. It's a reciprocal exercise we're engaged in here, you know, as opposed to them. You know, my thing is really not just, you know, there are times when me talk and go in some mix up or go in something and whatever. I mean, I like force nothing. I like force. If I not feel it, I not feel it. I not force. So I say, I do my show. And the show are going good. And then after a while, I say, all right, no. I kind of, whenever you do them something and you come back, there's a kind of steep curve we're going, and then it plateau. It's a natural thing. It's just a radio thing. It's not even just a radio thing. It's, if you're in a high school and the new girl or the new guy come in, will you pay attention? After a while, it wear off, and then it's like, you know what I'm saying? That type of thing. And I saw it settle down now. I say, all right, I'm going to bring in, you know, I bring him back YouTube and then juggle with YouTube for a while and then bring him back Facebook. And then, so Facebook come back in and then I'm going to try bring in Instagram. I'm not ready yet. So that is the only reason why I'm there to do the show. But straight up, the show is TikTok focused. I'm not going to insult you with that, right? It's actually difficult for me, you know, I'm not going to lie to you. It's actually difficult for me to look for all of the window them while me I do the show. And I focus on the material in the show and whatever. So it's not you alone. You have people who come here and them post something in the chat. And if me not see it, them start cuss me. You know, answer me, da-da-da-da, whatever. And them not stop and I think like, you know, it's probably not that easy for him did the hours, you know, every evening did the hours and I juggle. The TikTok wall move way faster than the YouTube wall. So I have to pay attention to the TikTok wall if I pay attention. But most of the time I can't even pay attention to the TikTok wall because some other content are going on and I feel running a show. And me alone. And a 3 platform. I want to make 4. So I say all that for say, want to take time with me. Right? And I know say someone open out the feelings with this and really I mislead who cuss me out what day. Well, insult me, basically. But, you know, when over YouTube side and thing and whatever, and, you know, it's really the TikTok show me I do, I'm just, you know, So I don't want to feel say, oh, on a cursory and not focus no over there, or I'm being rude, or I'm being neglectful, or whatever. It's not easy. My kind of flow and make it look easy, but it's not easy. And it's not intentional, it's certain. I mean, by the way, just so you know, come at me reinforce it, because I don't want you feel say, Bernadine, I know you. You mean me no harm whatsoever. Right? Me know that. But may I use the opportunity to put it out there, because it's not you alone. You see how you respectful and thing and whatever what you say. You're probably not there. If you hear them when them come and some of them just ignore them and I look. But me Christina tell you some of how them go on and even over here TikTok.
Oh, I've seen that. But me not stay like that.
No.
So,
not even close. Not even
manner.
close. Not even close, Bernadine. Not even close.
But we YouTubers are up in our feelings, right, Mr. G? Me just have to say. Now we accept what you have to do now, whatever. But give me a little one glance ever so often. I could feel like it's you. I mean, I have to come over.
No, but what I'm saying is, even if me go when me do it, me go over there, me look at me respond to, me do it and whatever. But let me be honest with you. No care how much me do it, it's not gonna ever be enough.
True.
It's not gonna ever be enough. And once me over there, something not gonna happen over here. So you miss it, and you never did see what I say to you and whatever and thing like that. And I'm gonna take time with me, man. I'm gonna take time with me, because it's not. When people do multiple platforms, them not really. I don't know if you see how the other people them work. Them not really depend on them. Just depend one, and the other one, the other one them dead and
No,
but,
yeah, we know that's fine. That's fine.
It's, them not really.
No, we just have to. We do. Oh, and you said people don't call him.
Mm-hmm.
But you do not answer the phone sometimes.
You talk over YouTube.
Yeah, because you said people are not calling in.
Because the number that you call, there's two things going on there. Very often, I don't know if you notice, you see a WhatsApp number there, right?
You don't answer that. I called that yesterday and today.
No, you are hear it ring, But it now ring over here. It now ring.
No, we should know that if you tell it if you call in and we are going to try WhatsApp, because then WhatsApp will never for the call. Then
and I want me this now.
We're not gonna say it now ring from your end.
No, I'm not blame you for that. But again, you never know, but it was established before. So the WhatsApp I hit, but you never did there them time. You can ask Christina if I lie me at it. Because the number there and it wait name there, but WhatsApp is not reliable on the network, with when they come through the phone. It's just not as good. So me have Zoom number, the Zoom number where you call, right? Is $600 me pay for that for the year. I have the Zoom number. Yeah, no, it's 600 almost 800. So I don't even remember all them now. You know that's something when them do like you can go month to month or you pay for the year.
Yeah.
So I pay for the year because it work out look cheaper. Me I save a look of money. And you see that $600 or $800, but me get two number, and it's Zoom number, which is different from the Zoom. You have the Zoom ecosystem, you have the number, you can have the webinar, and you have, so I get the number part, and that me can afford and whatever. And I saw now the number that they America can attack, you're there Canada and attack, and things like that. Yeah,
but what prevented you from answering those numbers yesterday?
What numbers yesterday?
The same number me I call upon now.
No, when you did a call me, did I talk to somebody?
Okay. So then all the people then if we call and no realize. You are telling me from your back end, and I'm come. Me I go in your technical services now. You are answer from your back end. Me I come
Fix
at
up that,
you
fix
from
up
the
that, fix up.
front end.
Yeah, fix up that, fix
Why
up
with
that.
that? But yeah.
No, fix up that. Yeah.
And me I come at you from the front end.
And yeah, come from the front. Yeah, that's a good way to come. I like it when you come from the front, yeah, Bernadine. And that's where you come from.
Go ahead, go
I
ahead.
like it. Yeah. But anyway, go ahead.
When okay. You see, I come today, like I listen to you all the time, but somebody who comes today
Yeah.
and is calling on the WhatsApp
Yeah.
won't know that there's an issue with the WhatsApp.
That's true.
And I call in on the number that I'm calling on now.
Mm-hmm.
You seeing the phone ringing.
Mm-hmm.
You did not say, Bernadine, me see your call me back.
Why me have to do
So
that?
I won't.
What? No,
But I won't know
why?
that you see the calling because I would assume that, okay, the number now work. If me a call and there's no answer. You understand?
Okay,
so
fine.
That's
You don't
me
see
coming
that.
at it from the front.
All right. So I go back to why me I tell you, say, a little kind of, you don't realize it, you know. I remember again. You know when me I do radio, you know many time people call and say, Raga, years me I call you, I never get in, and I look how me get in today now.
You need a producer.
No, but even if I had a producer, what I'm trying to say to you, that is not unusual. People call radio and I get in.
Oh, no, me expect that for radio.
But you hear what you just say. You think you alone I call yesterday, you know? A bunch of other people call yesterday and I get in, you know? When me did I talk to Sonia so long, you know?
Yes, and then the bunch of people are going to feel one of two things. The number not working, or you're not paying attention.
No. Because
you're
the
not
people,
acknowledging that I see the phone ringing.
Bernadine, you're being
back,
unreasonable. Because listen what you said, the entitlement tonight, you know. Bernadine, me see the phone and ring me, I go call you back.
Hold on. You don't have to specifically just say the phone and ring. Hold on. Hold on.
Ask the people if me not do that sometime. People may not do that sometime. Yet, let me see. Just see what them are going to say now. Because you hear what you say it, you know. You say me see it a ring. And me should have said Bernadine, whatever. Because basically, me gonna be 100 with you. Me gonna be 100 with you. Basically, yeah, because you call and I get in.
Yes, me up in my feelings. So
well, you need to let go that. You need to let it go because you're cool, I'm a rate you. But you're not special. The other way there. You know how much people call and I get in?
Okay, that is okay. That's them.
I hate it when women do that. I hate. You see what you just said? That was disrespectful. And it's not even funny. It's not even funny. You see what you just said? One of my pet peeve. Because you basically, you hear what you say? That was them. I make the point. It's not you alone. That was them. So you forget different treatment. And that you say.
I'm sure everybody who calls you expects to get different treatment.
You deflect again.
Okay.
You're deflecting again.
No worries.
Bernadine, if at times I can afford that discretion, me can say so and so and so. But may I keep it on. You're not special in other sense than you alone a call. Chuckisha call and I get in. Other people call and I get in. And basically you call yesterday and through me I talk to Sonia Long, you upset and thing because you're supposed to get in. And if you're not getting, I should have acknowledged you. I should have acknowledged you. Something should have been said to you. And that's how you feel because you never get in and you're upset.
No. At the time of when I was calling, it was the fact that the thing was glitching. So that is what I was because I
never asked you the reason why you called. That wasn't the issue. We made the point. The point we just make wasn't the reason.
Everybody who calls and interacts with you feels that they're special, calling and interacting.
No,
So, hey,
nobody.
that's okay.
No. That's not everybody. That's
That's
Bernadine and probably
okay.
like one or two other people, but it's not everybody. In fact, most
Never
people over
feel
here.
call you feel say them special to you like
No, people come up in the box all
why
the
wouldn't
while and
they?
them not get in and thing and them not beat me and call back upset like you.
Never call back upset. Me call back with a point.
No.
I'm still not
You
upset.
are upset.
I am still not upset. Trust me, I am not upset.
I mean, you're not mad at me or like whatever, but
I am not mad at I am not mad and I'm not upset. Trust and believe I am not upset.
No,
It will
but
take a
in
whole
some
lot more
degree
for
you're
me to
being
get upset.
unreasonable,
But trust
though.
and believe.
You're being unreasonable,
No, trust and
though.
believe.
And you say it a while ago, like that are them.
No, trust and believe.
That are them.
If you get nothing else out of it, it's trust and believe. I'm not mad, not upset.
No.
I believe that.
No, but when I say upset, me mean you wait name there when say you YouTube and this and that. There's a little concern there for real.
Yeah, but it's still, I'm not upset. Perturbed, maybe, but upset, no. Definitely not.
And say,
anyway.
I wish you never be the first person to come start the show that we upon ELAINE2CUTE,
I know, so me did I try go to the Elaine something first. I wish I happy birthday. You cut me off and tell me, say, well, answer all of me.
Bernadine, stop. You keep fucking doing that. You switch it and like say me I do thing wrong. Stop.
I didn't say you were doing something wrong. I said
The way you just said it, the way you just phrase it, you basically say, anybody I listen, the way you just say a while ago, say, well, me did I go so and so, you carry me over here, so. As if you didn't make a choice for go over this.
Well, I got you here. No worries.
No, did you not make a choice? Oh, Bernadine, if you call in, who started the thing about me and neglect over this? So? Who started that?
I did.
Who?
I did.
So a while ago you say when you call in a alien you did that go and it's me make you go over this. So?
Because I was going to outline all the reasons why I called, because if we were to go back in the show you would have heard me say anyways and then whatever. But again, this is where we're at. So you know, that I didn't want to.
You made a choice to start the show upon the mood. Because you want to get things off of your chest.
It wasn't
my choice. It was your choice.
It was a light-hearted situation.
Like no. That is not the point. You have deflect again. You're still deflecting again. You brought it there. Argument done. Is you bring light-heartedly. So what? We're not talking about the adjective associated with it. We're talking about what you do. Is you bring up this point. And don't try that with me, Bernadine. That not gonna work. Come on, man. Is you bring it up? Are you start the show?
Yes, I did.
Yes, what you talking about?
Yes, I did.
Don't say nothing for make it look like a me start it or me make the show. After I make the point, say you come with that energy for start the show upon Alien Night. And some which me never.
Well, Elaine. Happy birthday, Mr. Stewart, Dr. Stewart. Have some Baileys and have a good evening.
I will.
Bye-bye now.
All right, cool. Yeah, people, when I'm wrong, you know, somebody says something to me, I'm wrong. I say, I'm saying, you're right, I'm wrong. What you don't know me do all the while and whatever. But Bernadine, I deflect. Be a deflect, I deflect. Be a deflect, Bernadine, I deflect. Right on to the end, I say, boy, me just say, boy, I wish you never start to think that way and whatever. Well, and so on, and it's you make me go so on. Oh, it must be me. Oh, me for know what she have a call about. She started, right? And you have this like creative semantic games with people, me understand, to the people them over Facebook and YouTube, I'm not being rude, right? I just want to know, when you do a show, it's a flow, it's an energy, right? So me not go run anything. Me just keep it 100 with you and say, it's a TikTok show me I do, right? So and I like say on a less important or whatever I think. It's not even anything like that, you know. But at the TikTok show me I do, I'm Missy Bram Bram and some people and thing and whatever who when me check in with them and thing and them say, my raga, me not do TikTok, right? Right, when you over there do the show and whatever and thing like that, and I say, all right, I go do so. I want to see, me try this, something with YouTube, this never did a work. Me try something else, I don't hear the call them and whatever and thing like that and whatever. So I have to get one different software and set it up and run it through one different company, Restream, one company near Restream. I did try StreamYard, one different company. I pay my 1 year subscription with them. StreamYard, I get problem. I never did I hear it. I don't really know them something, but it's web-based stream, so you stream through the web. I go over Restream, I get problem. I so and so and whatever. So now I have to go back to OBS, one software near OBS. I have one different streaming software, Vimeo. Vimeo have a streaming software, right? You can go check. If it depend on the level where you whatever, is $900 for the year, right? So I get the Vimeo, I juggle with the Vimeo. Vimeo, the codec in a Vimeo, I get problem. And I saw I said, John, I have to go back to OBS because the OBS have some like a quirky thing I not like, And I saw now I go back to OBS and I say, well, if the YouTube people, I'm going to get the show. Because I remember when I did that do it on a beat, I said, no, Raga, we not hear the call, we hear you and whatever. I said, I never know. And I saw now I switch now and I go back to OBS. I like OBS and I call Jimmy and I said, Jimmy, $900 over Vimeo. Vimeo now go through for the YouTube people. I pay up yearly thing for StreamYard. It now go through. Restream, but it now go through because I'm a web-based streamer, And I said, Jimmy, I really have to go back to OBS. And Jimmy, I said, yeah, man, you have to go back to OBS, And I saw me go back to OBS for be able to reach YouTube and what named it. And I burn at the end alone. Java, I'm a charge, right? Java, I'm a sister. Java like my sister. Java not do TikTok. You can't get the one that Java come here, I'm account Java company. Right? And Java say, if I'm a YouTube, I'm not listen. Missy Bram Bram, a YouTube them thing there, right? Several other people are here. And I saw me say, all right, boom. I'm going to go back to OBS. Right? I mean, I stream OBS now through Restream for reach YouTube and Facebook. While me I run TikTok different pa my phone, so. Right? Me I say all of this too, for have a sense, a lot of just turn up and be, well, they show there, But there's a lot that goes on, right? There's a lot that goes on. And then when I run the show now, it's a different dispensation. When I do radio, I just sit down, I have a producer, I have a technical operator, all I do is talent, right? And when I'm there now, I live alone and thing, I want to set up and thing. I enjoy what I do, but I just want to know, say, as a reminder, just keep in mind if you feel an impulse or an emotion to say, somehow I drop the catch and I'm doing something wrong or whatever. I'm just asking you all to regulate whatever you're feeling in terms of what you think I am not doing. And as much as you can, just extend some, I'm not big enough for sorry for me, but just extend some consideration and thing and whatever, like when we turn up your evening time, I run a software called Zoom Workplace. I run another software named ELAINE2CUTE. Them sound effects where you hear, that is a software. I run OBS, right? That is a streaming software. I feel I watch it and I regulate some things on it what I don't know. When I hear music, is a different software named Serato. And then I feel I watch the wall in a Chrome. But the wall is, I feel I watch the restream. Because you have to watch the restream when it come, when the OBS come. I feel to monitor that. Plus, I feel I watch TikTok. Plus, over YouTube. Plus, over Facebook. There's a lot going on, Anytime I done the show at night time, I just have to relax a little bit, as much as I see me going and whatever, People think of it. You never wonder why I want to sit down in a plane. I don't do nothing. I sit down in a plane, but when I come out of a plane, I'm tired. And I say, but I never do nothing. And you're tired and whatever, Right? Again, I enjoy what I do, but I just ask, just, I ain't gonna get it right. I'm not gonna get it right all the time. Am I gonna mess up? Hell yeah. Have I messed up with some stuff? Hell yeah. But one thing I always say, for a long time, because a long time mean at this and different configuration, different thing and whatever. And one thing I always tell them for, thank you for, I want patience. Yeah, for real. Because I mess up. Enough time I don't know when I do and thing and whatever. I have to figure it out on the fly. I want to hold it with me right through. Right? Other times when that fling was sitting and whatever, because we live in a time and age, where options, people, YouTube, something that work, people switch and go on to something. Because there's just so much out there right now, You understand? Some know says by choice. Hundreds, thousands even, on a patient with me when I'm messing up, when I'm effing up, which I have, particularly when I figure out stuff or whatever. Right? And I look, there's something. When I time nothing I go through, I said, why this thing here? A jitta so and jitta so and jitta so and jitta so. And I then I realized that the graphics card now carry the stream, because my graphics card, whatever. Right? When me go buy the graphics card and whatever, graphics card was like $500. That is just one little thing for going on a computer. I'm not gonna lie, at the end, see woman them volunteer. Them not go tell no and whatever, because them not stay. So I them volunteer and put a little thing together and them give me that thing there, I'm put the rest on it, and I buy the graphics card and buy graphics card, the thing, whatever, the stream start, juggle better, But then a computer, so it's only as strong as the weakest link, So and when we see another thing start get problem now, the processor couldn't manage the processor for power the processor power the whole computer. And then someone said, no, you know what? Let me just go invest in a solid computer and whatever. Right? And I me build the computer there. If you ever see it, I me build it. I want to probably not gonna believe me. I invest in something, because computer within a year, whenever you have it, get old. So in terms of scale, you have to think like a 3-4 years if you just hold something. And the computer I end up a build, the case alone is almost $600. The computer case alone is almost $600. And I can go check it. It's a gamer's case. Me not play a game. But with computers, them have a slow degradation where them go through. if you have the wrong case. So the computer, they need air and they need stability, right? Particularly them new age computer, like you may, if them did a shake, little bit shake, after a while, one little chip, we just shift and just mess up everything. If your motherboard gone, everything fall apart. So I just say, all right, at the time when I say, yeah, boom. When I'm not gonna believe me, my computer cost about $7,000. Right? The computer when I use a broadcast here is about $7,000 it costs. Because the graphics card, the motherboard, the processor, and yet the other key thing, I have what is called the top of the line DDR5 memory, and it's 192, right? You go there and you see like the top computer them way if you go Micro Center and whatever, you see top computer, you hardly go see anything with like 192 gigs of RAM, random access memory in a them computer. You rarely ever see anything like that. Missy computer herself for $10,000 out there, right? And them RAM, the most of them are going 96 or 128, and this is a 198, 2 or whatever in it, right? Because I'm max out and thing, I'm spending money and said, this I go serve me for a while. You understand? The case, I get the case, it firm. It keep the motherboard firm. The case, it not have no, what you call plastic panel or draw heat. The case make with a woolly power, that you can't see it, you know. No, just bear with me for a second. I'm showing you something. Bear with me for a second, yeah? I know say this is not the show, but it come up some my spirit I tell me say, I just show you something. All right, take a picture. Take a picture of the monster over here, you know. All right. Let me show you something. Oh. My phone connected to it. I'm like, what's that? All right. That's my computer. You see, my baby ain't no joke, right? That's a monster right there, right? I'm a computer. That's the case when I look on right this, you know? That's at the front of the case, you know? Right? It's firm. So it's solid. It keep the motherboard stable. And sorry if you get bored with this, but it have a whole bunch of fans in it, right? You have to buy the fan them separate, you know? And you have to buy a special fan to cool the processor, the brain of the computer. So I have a special fan when I buy. The fan there alone at $200 for the fan alone. $200 for the fan alone. And that just a blow up on the processor, right? The graphics card is a computer by itself. Right? Computer in a computer. Right? So I just want to know, so we take it things serious and whatever, but I don't want to know kind of get. If you don't know, so I make you know now. So yeah, you know, so somebody come over here now and it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Somebody is gonna come later. And by the way, again, just so you know, Bernardine mean me no. Bernardine is one of the coolest birds. Bernardine mad cool, right? Years, like really cool, genuinely cool. Really smart, you know, really smart and thinking, right? But I just want to use the opportunity for just kind of communicate. There's a lot going on over here, you know, and I'm not complaining, but I just make you know, right? That, you know, when I do the show, I would just love to be like, just talent and you're good. You just host the show and that's you have to worry about. But I not did it so. Probably one day I'll have a studio and people will work for me and whatever. But I not did it so right now. Right? So I go on easy and give thanks. But I want you to know that when you're patient with me, I am very appreciative of this because Lord knows there have been multiple opportunities for you to say, Rock ain't no shit what he's doing. We're gonna watch something else, which some people have, you know. And you can't knock them feet, you know. They got options, you know what I'm saying? So when somebody goes to boom and loyal and thing and whatever, and trust me, I'm very appreciative of it, man. So, you know, must have been gonna take time with me and thing and whatever. Yeah, and I make me know I want to go on, and but if you rough me up and thing, me either gonna ignore you or attempt to explain, you know. And if me I explain, I'm still a ear like you ain't understanding or whatever, then to the person who in a chat box right now, before you come on, that's why, you know, me see I post some things and, you know, in regards to Bernadine. It's not like that. So me I say it before you say anything here. All right? It's not like that. What you think here? All right. So if you come on now, me say, why, you know, because me see that I post something. Yeah, it's not like
Evening,
that.
Raga. No, I
Yeah.
understand. This is the wife.
Oh yeah, what's up?
It's the wife, the husband here, but it's me calling to say something. It's me was posting that, but me on that.
No,
So
me
I
know. That's why I say it before you come in. Come say it. No, it's not like that. It's not like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
So a few things and then I'm gonna drop.
yeah.
Number one, happy birthday, Elaine. The turn up. We excited for the turn up. Secondly, since we excited for the turn up, I noticed that your background is green and your shirt also have the same shade. And we love the shirt. We think it's very nice and it takes you perfectly. However, we want to turn all the way up. So if we can take a little commercial break and you may change into a different color that allow us to see the comments so that we could really turn up when it's Elaine time. I think that will, you know, make it easier on our eyes if possible, right? But it's ain't a must.
Yeah. No. That's a reasonable request, and let me just say I'm very thankful for you know the for taking the time to be diplomatic about it, you know, and not being in any way condescending or entitling about it or whatever. It's a reasonable request, and then request will be granted. Request will request will be granted, and it makes sense because me just pick up a shirt. You know what? Say is that look on the shirt. You notice whatever.
It look nice. No,
No. Look. Oh, you can't see right.
No, we can't.
It's a new shirt. Me just take it out of the thing and put it on.
God. It's too full up. Oh, you never.
Yeah, whenever I on what? Come here, some late and whatever. Somebody take out the new shirt and put it on.
Never even notice. Honestly, we never notice. But it's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, but the white and this kind of read, it's a little dazzling here. Plus, the green and plaid. No, you're quite right. You're quite
on
right.
our end. The comments come up in white.
Right.
So that's where the little conflict come in because it's going up to your shirt. It's going up.
No. In fairness to you and the others, this came up before. No, that's why I don't know if you notice. I never. Actually, I've wool heap of white summer, but I don't wear white because I was told that before.
Okay.
So,
well, I think we still think you look snazzy, but we just wanted to mention that because when we turning all the way up, we want to be in the chat like gangster coming it, you know what I mean? And so the other thing is, I appreciate you explaining all of the platforms and all the trials and errors and the, you know, increase storage and size and all the things, because I think that's a lot of times, and even the multitasking that you have to do when you're on here, because I think a lot of times people don't necessarily understand or even think about the mental, you know, fortitude and everything else and the finances that go into hosting and still interacting with your guests and following the comments and all the things. So kudos to you because I couldn't do it. Especially if you work at their job and then you're coming out here in the night to do this.
Exactly.
Congrats to you, boy.
No, exactly. No. That's a good point. During the day I'm working right through.
Wow.
Right through. No. You want to hear something? When the show done, you know, ask anybody the next day, 10 o'clock, the show we go on it up on TamFam TV over YouTube.
Oh, you upload it? Okay.
No. But when the show done, I have to download the show from TikTok. I figure out a way to do it quicker now. But when we did that download it from TikTok, it would take sometimes it take more than an hour.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Then after that now, I have to upload it in my editing software called Premiere Pro.
Wow.
Because there's things that I have to cut out of it and things. Then also, sometimes when it record, you have things in it where you have to fix. Mm-hmm. And that editing, on average, it take about 2 hours, 3 hours.
Wow.
Then I have to upload it to YouTube. And YouTube, them get better now. Them server get better now. But one time the upload will take half hour. It get better now. Mm-hmm. Then after it upload, you have to sit down and wait till YouTube run a copyright check and a suitability check. And that can sometimes it can take 45 minutes, it can take 3 hours.
Bye.
And because if I don't wait and me go drop asleep, you can see something come up, the video can't go through and whatever, and then it's just like, then because that has happened.
And then time. Yeah.
And then I have to delete that and then go back in a Premiere Pro, edit it out, take out the something what them say, and then and go back to the world pro. But some of us I tell you what go on after. Even after the show. You know.
Man, you're
still at work.
Yeah, man, you need to employ somebody or
I can't afford that. I can't afford it.
Well, get some volunteers.
No. That is another thing where you wouldn't know.
Okay.
You had people who come in and them offer for volunteer, you know. And then me, big work, basically big dirty work going in a TamFam before, right? Because people volunteer, you know, and then when them volunteer, and then I continue to volunteer, me say no. At the time, me say, look, money are coming, so say money. If money are coming, I'm going to give them money. I'm going to give them money. And them said to me, no, me just do it because you don't know. Other TamFamers know what went.
Okay.
And then you did have somebody who me bring in. You know, basically them set me up anyway, but me never did know. But me bring in and did a guy there and say, you know, you have a talent and thing and whatever, boom, 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 boom. You know, say them people, you know, who me never ask them for coming, or them coming.
Yeah.
And them say them a volunteer, you know. The other person and me just said, would you like to do this? Because whatever, and Ray. And then after a while, them people or whatever, their thing was, they can do it better than me. Me, I drop the ball. And I them for run it. After a while, them say, make the people them did it. If I know them, remember, you know, they were attracted to my thing because it did a go on good, you know. them did attracted to it because there was something going good over here what them want to be a part of. And then after me, go let them in, you know, and thing and whatever. At first, them cool, you know, but then them reach a point now where them start think it's about them. And then them start diss me and style me.
No.
Yeah, no. One of people over here know exactly how I go on or whatever, you know.
Okay.
So, yeah, man. So,
yeah, have some, good.
You have some people. Well, y'all have some people, you know, them will call, you know, and the thing shut, you know. And then, you know, them will want call back and make shut again, you know. And then after a while, them say things like, if me not call the show no shot.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. And
when
then yeah, man.
Shooting. It's the show's been shooting.
Yeah. So it's because of that now. I'm not gonna lie to you. You have people now since I'm over here, you know, want volunteer or whatever. I don't want to volunteer. I'm good.
Listen, you're doing good. You're doing good.
Yeah.
What they call it? A soulpreneur.
Solopreneur. Solopreneur.
Yeah,
that's a term out there, you know. Solopreneur, you know. Yeah.
Right now, good. We liking it and Wait, when Elaine coming through, what going on? What's
No,
going
man, we're going to bring her in, man. We're going to bring her
Okay.
in. We're going to
All
bring
right.
her in, all right?
She got to
But
lock
big
up
up
she
yourself, you know.
shop,
Bossy. But
Yes,
Obi there. Obi, you good?
yeah, man. But I listen to you.
Cool, man.
But
No
I
say
got
a word, man.
some answer because me I listen to everything you say. I say, yo, you know, if you explain nothing to them people, yeah, you know.
I know, but I can guarantee you there's a bunch of people there who listen. We're like, damn, I didn't know that. And then on hearing that now, I would think that having heard everything that I just said, two things I'm hoping will happen. One, that, you know, when problems come up and things, they will be more inclined to say, well, no, there's a lot going on. Him didn't make one know. And two, invariably, you're going to have new listeners who come in after, and them are gonna have all kind of problem. And now they now would be empowered, you know, to tell those people if them say, don't do that. And it's really, it's kind of rough over there upon him now, you know, because they know now, because them hear it now. You understand? So
You know what? Once when you start explaining, I'm hear about the CPU shell. I say, yeah, we already know you spend a whole heap of money on that. Before you even tell me the price, me already know. Once you say, are you build your computer?
yeah.
Me already know it up there.
You sound like you're familiar with them.
Yeah, me know them stuff there.
Yeah, all right then, cool.
Yeah.
All right, turn up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool. Me go change your shirt. All right, I'm going to change your shirt. Good. That's, all right. All right, so give me a second, people. I'm going to change your shirt and come.
Don't worry.
Yeah, man. All right, cool. Yeah, man. Cool.
Me a the slamming king in a the country. And up gal ball out and a me agony. Oh, you see they me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the gal nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in a the country. Oh, look a gal squeal out and a me agony. Oh, you see they me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Hear this story. Whenever me woman them get me big ring tie, I'm them ball out when me shift them internal organs. Me kill them with the loving, drive them insane, make them mash down the bed spring and ball out me name. Boy, you see them Islam machine in Punsi. Y'all slam so good lord, me couldn't manage me. Is a boy when me a slam, me no want no mercy, but Punsi make me ball. Lord Jesus help me. Slamming king in a the country, and up y'all ball out and a me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in a the country. Only a girl squeal out and a me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Punsi knew where to touch and how to touch and when to touch and why to touch. My body did weak, me couldn't keep up, and when me off and me puff, I run out of breath. She said, boy, tap your nice cause you not get nothing yet. You going giddy giddy when you get the over the moon. The rapid matic we make you sing no tune. The bazooka bat breaker destroyer, and dog yam your supper with the big John killer. Me a the slamming king in a the country, and up y'all ball out and a me agony. Oh, you see they me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in a the country. Only a girl squeal out and a me agony. Oh, you see they me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Hear this. Now when they me girl a this slam when me pour back a strain. Punsi say shanty, me want you scream out my name. Me say girl you coulda bright, me nah go scream your name tonight, and anything you come with me I put up a fight. Then she fling it so and dash it so and seal it for me. And in my mind me say Lord give me strength for manage it. And then she wheel it so and twist and jam it like a sledgehammer. Me say kiss me back with your muscle lady sir. Then she wheel it and she flick it and it's really sweet. Me make go fi ball out her name but me hold back it. But when she point it and squeeze it and my head start take me, she say when me name me ball up Punsi, 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 Punsi. Oh God, Punsi, love you, love you, love you, love you. A million punts, a whole heap of punts, a whole heap of punts. Oh God, oh Punsi, no done it, 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 no done it. More than a Punsi word. Aye, take the car, the house of you, the house. Lord God, what you love you, I love you. Oi, oi, oi. slamming king in the country. Girl ball out and me I got it. See they me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty, slamming king in the country. Only for girls squeal out and me I got it. Oh you see they me get a walk from Punsi. Lord of my say she nearly kill me. Hear this story.
Respect. Thanks, Kalia, Sinner. All right. Can't lose. White and black can't lose. White on black can't lose. Black on white. Well, relatively speaking, okay, I don't know me. No, white on black, black on. Yeah. Let's see something I know. I can't do this. There's a way. Wow. I just few songs me play over here, so just work it. Give me a second.
Every American woman that has been with Jamaican men claim those men have eaten below the waist. Yet every Jamaican man claims they have never eaten below the waist. Somebody's lying, this is my true story. I met an American woman on a Caribbean cruise. She invited me to chat and have a few brews. I say no to the brews cause I don't get drunk. I just love to get high off the purple skunk. So I sat down with her just to conversate. We chat and laughed till it was getting late. She invited me back to her cabin. No doubt in my mind she wanted the stabbing, but she closed the door and said, get on your knees and nibble on this kitty like a rat on cheese. Now I love cheese, but I'm not no rat. And I love kitty, but not like that. So I said, lady, let me tell you this fact. I'm a Jamaican man and we don't do that. She said, that's the biggest lie told in her face. All Jamaican men she met ate below the waist. Somebody's lying, I don't know who. Tell me Jamaican men, could it be you? Somebody's lying, I don't know who. American women, it must be you. Met a New York shorty down in Miami Beach. Said she love yard vibes and the way we speak. She used to date a reggae artist from Spanish Town. He always went below, he never turned her down. And if you're wondering who could it be, he had a big hit song in 2023. He even clashed so-and-so over so-and-so. Straight bad boy artist but regular him bow. She said every Jamaican she ever embraced start up top and head south of the waist. Somebody's lying, I don't know who. Tell me Jamaican man, could it be you? Somebody's lying, I don't know who. American women, it must be you. I met a Georgia Beach down in the ATL. Face pretty like money and the body build well. She wants to take me home so I could lick her down. I almost get a big stone and lick her down. I said, Jamaican men don't play those games. She said, oh boy, you gotta stop playing. She said she once stayed in Ocho Rios, where a Jamaican man eat time for Ocho Dias. When he cried like a baby when she said adios. He's gonna miss him, Could it be you? Somebody's lying. I don't know who. American women, it must be you. Somebody's lying. Somebody's lying.
I hope me did want me do want ELAINE2CUTE. You know TikTok. Well, this is it makes sense. Every time I start my live, yeah, I put it's like I think for TikTok it's 21 and over. But so I can co-host. I can co-host with, as long as me and the person I follow me and me I follow them, I can co-host. But if me I do a live and it's 21 and over and them now have it set in a film things at 21 and over, TikTok now allow you to do it, which makes sense, you know, this type of thing. So I try to do it with Elaine and thing, and them I say, we don't have like audiences, you know. So but Elaine can come up, you know, she just, you know, when you have course and you have the two big picture them thing, right? So I send Elaine an invite for Elaine fall. Again, just want to remind on the people, today is Elaine's birthday. I don't know, Elaine has been a source of entertainment for us on this show a great many times, for which we're very thankful and things seen. So Elaine's birthday today, I want to bless her up and thing. But we found out today, and Tasha and CBS and, you know, link me and we talk and we realize Elaine TikTok now hook up to our account. Well, most of the TikTok now hook up to our account because I'm not, you know, I'm not a creator, I'm not depend on TikTok. But Elaine is not hooked up, so if we end up a gear, gifts and whatever, it not going to go through. Well, she not going to get it. It go through, but she not going to get it because she not have access to it. So, even though I look at standard rules, say, you know, I'm no longer doing stuff where people send money to me to give to somebody and whatever. There's an exception tonight. Then I'll go back to the rule after, right? Because we have to make an exception for Elaine, okay? All right, so if anybody wants to send her anything, you can send it to me to Zelle, to the number that's in my bio here. But Christina will post it also, which is 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. If you're in Canada, you'd have to send it through PayPal, but you will send it to Ragashanti@gmail.com. All right? Ragashanti@gmail.com. Okay? If you're outside of the United States, you know, Ragashanti@gmail.com. But if you have access to Zelle and whatever, and I solemnly swear, whatever you send to me, I'll just send it. Maybe the plan is to just Western Union it to her. Okay? All right? And I'm sure she'll appreciate it, you know? All right? Elaine, a star. See? That being said, you know, I can't call in otherwise and thing, but big up Elaine Pana strong and whatever. It's not the best month in the year, because we all know that it's September. No argument. I will not entertain any opposition to that, particularly from Bernadine. Yeah, I want Bernadine band. I want your band Bernadine, right? I want your band Bernadine, right? A September, the top month and whatever, so. Tiffany, I write in the chat, you're glitching now. All right, Tiffany, it might be glitching, but if it's a glitch now, it's not likely to be. It's not my graphics card. It's not my computer. We took care of that, okay? So if you notice, you alone say it's a glitch. So very often when things are glitch, a phone system. Don't assume that it's just, you know. And sometimes it's TikTok. But you can have a good sense. If when you're glitch and you see other people are post and whatever, they can know, say, you know, pretty much a lot of people experience the same thing. But sometimes when for you alone, you know, it might be your Verizon or your AT&T or your, you know, whichever way you use, because, you know, things happen on your side too, you know? All right. No, man, that's okay, Tiffany. That's okay. I'm just letting you know. Because I don't want to say it's a glitch. I mean, I don't know nothing about it. Eh? And then you come beat out my clock like Bernardine. Right? Yeah. So I big up in me people, you know. Big up to that the 24th. Oh, it go, man. Always I forget, you know. So, what's that now? Gemini start now? That's so? Yeah, Gemini, right? The Gemini start. Oh, my sister's birthday come up. Need to remember that, you know. Yeah. You want to remember your sister's birthday. Weird. And me and you born to Naval. Nobody look like good people born in America. People Naval are one of the coolest youth out there, you know. Remember me telling you, know. No, man, Naval, they look like some good people born in America. Gemini girl said May 23rd. Empress CC says she born the 8th. Sonia says Sunday is one of your son's birthday. I went, wow. But you can't bet you know me and Jameli born, you know. How one month you born, and Jameli? No, man, we just play with them something over there. Your friend, we just play with them things over here. You know. And Jameli born for the 13th month of the year. Wait, March 9th, she said she born. Oh, she a March woman. One woman called me show one time and she said, oh, she not have nothing to do with March, man. I mean, I said, this was in Jamaica. I mean, I said, what? She said, March, man, are the wickedest, most evil man them out there. I said, nah, man, I think you know, you probably have a bad experience. No, Raga. Me have one dog, and me love it dog. But anyhow, she got have puppy in a March. Me a fling with she, and me a fling with the whole of the... It wasn't March. I did which one, Angie? Angie sound like she remember I call, you know. Angie, you know, you're right. I think it was April. I think, you know, Angie, you're right. You're right about that one, Angie. You know, good catch. See, Michelle say April too. You see, it was it was April. It was. People necessarily lie, me I tell. You see, remember I mix up. See, Michelle say it was April. We all remember that because I want a long time caller, you know. When I say long time, I mean like people, how long the caller was. The caller was like from, we don't know, 26. The caller was from about, I don't know when I heard. The caller probably around 20. We're not 26 now. No, man, the caller was, no, man, April, man. April, Angemeli, you're right. I said Michelle say it was April. Yeah, April. No, on the right. You're wrong. I never March. I did April. No, it was April. It was April. Let me tell you why I did April. When time we come off, I call, I think it was Mataran. Did link me right after and I said something about him, he might have him Earth Strong party. Mataran have several Earth Strong party. And I think when Mataran did, I said, Raga, come out, something like that, come out some party and whatever. And it was, and I think April, not April 20 Mataran. Yep. April, man. April, on the right. What month was Tony? Oh, a marching band. But on the right, man. On the right, it was April. 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 I'm not right about that one, that April. But she said, if our dog have puppy in April, she said, she have, what she did say? She said, did she say she analyze them or just get rid of them or dash them away? Or something like so. She said she dash with the dog and the whole like puppy them and things. She didn't have nothing to do with March, man. Hey, some Jamaicans stand up under something there, you know. Yes, man. Me still have say March, April. Michelle say, give away the dog them. Yeah, something, yeah, give them away, yeah. I'm glad when I'm telling you something and them people remember. You have some people, you know. And I know them and listen to me, you know, 20 odd years and they remember all of the sample mix up them, you know. Yeah, man. One time I meet a woman on the road, you know. And that woman could have almost verbatim, you know. Tell me back all a second back and me mix up them, you know. Could I tell me all a second back and me mix up them. Not even me remember all a second mix up them. I remember the drunker with the dirty drawers. I remember that one day bad. The drunker and the drawers. I remember the MP where I swipe the woman. I remember that one that second mix up they did bad. Remember, she get the name second back on me, you know, when her husband born her. No, this was not that one. That was when when the man did a look her, and I go and like him and carry her go run a house back go sort her out, and I went to tell him take off his clothes and go run something like some, and then go up on the house up and throw cold water upon him down the naked with him body stiff up and wait for Seki. And Seki said when she threw the water upon him, the man said, Seki back on me. And I saw me here in the name. I say, I hear a name that if I'm here and enter the name Seki back on me. He's a Latin girl member, the house top one. Exactly. You see what and you see what I remember the mix up them people? The mix of them when I remember, you know, like 2026, New Start 93 FM. They mix up there from, well, remember at 102 me start, you know, in 2000 and change. But the New Start mix up them. When me start a New Start? But them early New Start 93 FM, you know. And Tasha said when she was messing with her boss, yeah, and yeah, remember that mix up there too. Because a Seki, see, Lati girl said 22 years ago, no must think I know. Now powder dish mix up a Hall of Fame mix up there. Hall of Fame mix up, powder dish mix up a Hall of Fame mix up there. I know the people them out there. You know, them look at young bloggers there who go up a page and take the thing them and go make money with them. Them not run for take off a powder dish mix up, man. Them just post that all about on them page and thing. Them a do them thing. Right, powder dish mix up. But the one with Seki and her boss, people in and know say Seki husband a boner, you know. That's why I'm telling her say, yo, when you just accept it, you know, man can't bone like woman, you know. And people don't know say Seki husband a boner. And Seki husband bring in a boss in night for a cover for him. So enough time when him a go for woman. As him tell Seki say a boss want him to come work. Right? And Seki side to rake. People don't know Seki do. Seki goes up boom. Sade say, Raga, I love your shirt. Big up yourself. You know, Seki do. Seki go draft for the boss, you know. Yeah, man. Seki draft for her husband boss, man. And start running upon her husband boss. And Seki said, it just reach a point now where when she want to shell out the boss, or how it go? She make the boss send her husband. Yo, people, that's game, right? That's game, eh? Right? When you talk about game, run game, yeah, I game that. That name game. right? A seki decide when for your husband get day off, you know, and the husband don't know, you know. Yeah. A seki, when seki, him forget day off, you know, seki said the boss call her and say, we can't give him off Thursday and whatever. And seki say, yeah, him get Thursday and whatever. And him dead and think him a run game. And I use the boss name, see him, and I know say seki I shell out the boss. And seki I get money from him, and I get money from the boss. And seki I decide when she want him to go anywhere. What? That's game for you right there. Yeah. Yeah, him I play chess and seki I play checkers. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna start do a thing named high level game. High level game. Right? Yeah, when woman go for do, well, hey, ladies, you know, me all lie, you know. You know what I mean? It's long time and we hear all like something with them. Ladies, phone thing just more plan out, on a burning more elegant, on a burning more sophisticated, on a burning more disciplined. Right? When una born phone a thing more disciplined. Yeah, man. Send Elaine one invite, you know, so invite her again. Yeah, phone burning more discipline, right? Uno know if you stick to script, right? And uno less likely to succumb to spontaneity, right? Right? Women more than men, we want a man, you know, and body a call for the man, you know. And in a position where she can't get it, you know. And she wants it, you know. And woman hold it and say, because it's not time yet. Right? Right? While men were more likely from the opportunity that a man were more likely take it instead of say no, no time yet, or not safe yet, or the thing not set right yet, or whatever. Women, we wet sapping, wait for a man and whatever and thing and just no yet. That is discipline. And I said no yet, you know, and no, say she I go sleep with him, you know. She already decided, you know, he may not know, but she already decided she go sleep with him, you know. And look at this and that, I go on and this and that, and she just said, no yet, no yet. And I want the man, you know. Then yeah, when we young, you know, with the own woman, you know, and we are going with the thing, and then we go feel so and so. And we I say, what? I don't drive a down here, man. Right? And worse when girl and whatever you say, girl in a eat, you know. And then I said, no, and then hold your hand and then hold on your hand and thing and whatever. And I see a woman that run it by you after because she knows I no time yet based on how the thing for sect. You see what I say? Men don't have that discipline there. Man, no. Some men have that discipline there, you know. Right? They can't say, no, I no time yet. Craig Tan said 192 gigabyte of RAM. Well, somebody's lying. Go yes so no. Oh, people me send an invite to it. And then, you know, system. Wait, you know, system. All right. I show them something. People, you remember what I'm telling you? You see what Craig Tan say? 192 gigabyte of RAM. All right. I show them something. Time to take a picture, I do that. All right, man, show you something. I show you something, I lie, me, I telling you, you know. All right. If you look on this, on I was say the computer, it named Ragamaster, right? That the computer name. Then you have to say processor, right? And you have to say AMD Ryzen 99, whatever, 12 core processor, right? 4. When me build a computer, in the computer world, when me build a computer, that was a jam. Believe it or not, even in a computer world, this is nothing now in terms of high-end computer, but it's still way better than a lot. So this, me can get like me have 2 more years in it, you know? Put 2 more good years out time. It was still good, you know? And the case can use forever. But look on the RAM. That's not a lie, man. Someone probably not understand them. Some. You see what it say? Installed RAM, right? I wonder if you can see it. Installed RAM. You see that? 192. For those of you who don't know, that is incredible. It is also costly. And then this is high-end RAM, you know, this is, right? So people, the RAM alone are thousands of dollars. Believe it or not. But RAM important for computer, you know? Because it's called random access memory. And it allows you to run a whole heap of things, right? Because once you run a software, it have to in at the RAM. Once it's active, it have to in at the RAM. So the more RAM you have, the more software you can. It's basically saying real-time brain space as opposed to storage brain space. Because the storage brain space, I want different thing that now, right? A different thing that now. So if you look down here, so you're going to see, if it's storage, you see it's a 240 TB, right? That's 240 terabyte, okay? Now, me show the people them over YouTube. And you see 192 gigabyte of RAM. And again, you know, if you're going to do something like this, and you say every night, and it's a business, which it is for me, right? You have to just make up your mind, say, you know, some idiot, may I show you the, may I really idiot, you know? May I show you, people may have your Elaine here. Me take the way it named the down there, so when I could have just show on the top part up there, so way bigger. And I go on the thing down. Alright, we'll do it, so whatever, yeah. Alright. Yeah, see it on the top there now, bigger, you know? I can't see it. Who understand them thing, yeah? And and I'm a typical guy, you know, where for other men, it's their cars and, you know, man love them car and you know, whatever. Me, I'm a nerd, so I'm a computer guy, you know? Right? Yeah, me's a computer guy, you know, so long time I make my own computer them, you know. Long time I make my own computer them, man. And when you build your own computer, it's fun, you know. You research them man thing and you figure out where you want. Craigton!
Yo,
What's
you
up?
hear me?
We are doing in your bathroom. We are doing in your bathroom.
We just reach a country star. That's why me not talk for a night because we just come off of the British I-95, which is the M1.
So, oh yeah, echo so.
Well, the room we in a kind of. We can't move. You want me move? We can go next door to you know.
No, you know, I forgot. Where you said the room where you're in you're not in the furniture?
All right. Yes, it's got a wooden floor. It's one of them type rooms.
No,
No
that is
carpet.
not, no, this is not that's not a wooden floor sound, man.
Are we going to debate this or are we going to just tell what I want? Which one?
You're not on a wooden floor.
Virgin, listen to this. But anyway, I called to talk about
No. This is before we talk about this is important.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I know sheetrock wall there, that real concrete wall.
No,
there.
man, brick. A brick. You know, England is a brick.
Okay. All the curtains there. The curtain are thick.
I ain't got curtains, I got blinds.
There you go.
Yeah. There's nothing in there. Remember me, I screwed up, man. There's nothing in there. The only thing suppressed sound in this we shot me there, and the tablecloth on the dining table. That's it.
That no suppressed sound, so I know.
No.
Whatever. So hold on, you know your living room or your bedroom?
Living room, you know. Well, sorry, bigger pardon, dining room.
Dining room.
Dining
so
room.
hold on. Crichton, how long we know each other?
19, 20 years maybe. So everybody.
Yeah, something like 20 odd or so, right? No man, 20 odd.
Thereabout.
Oh, yeah. Please, Crichton, that early, remember them time that you did a dead over routine, you know? Early, that have like 2009.
You know, if you got not true, you just had that something that go on to poor routine. Poor routine.
Remember when you were being nice to me because you want to get to you with routine?
Ruthie was very nice. She was very nice. You know?
Yeah. Now, back to the serious matter, though.
No.
So a long time I know you're not Crichton, so if you want, you just say the word, me send you a thing for make you buy 2 pieces of furniture and a kite sound sticky on you over there in a Crichton.
No style.
No, Crichton. Crichton. Open over there and look woman and I talk to them on your phone, saying because them woman and them hip to the thing now. You think you could all talk to you think you could all look pretty one queen and attack and she go say, but him don't even have no furniture and he want to come chat to me. And whatever be come here when I talk to him. Be echo the boy.
Hold on a second. Hold on. Echo.
No, man. No, Crichton, it sound like you're up on stage show a DJ.
So the man play.
Hey, yo, Crichton in the house. What one? Yeah, I said, John, the sound good. I be echo where you reverb. Yeah. Anyway, we are saying about the computer, you know.
No, brother, you know, the specs and everything, brother. What we call about, you were trying to explain the RAM. I like to put in a next way.
Careful now, you know.
Processor.
The RAM.
No. Yeah, okay. The CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit.
Right.
Which is the brain of the computer.
Correct.
You can call that the engine. Call it the engine. All right. The way I break it down, the RAM is like the fuel line to the engine. Yeah. So basically, the bigger the fuel line, the bigger the pipe, the more the engine can run. It no govern. You get me? So the more RAM you have,
I would put it the other way, you know, Craig.
Go on, what you say?
All right. The battery for the computer give it power, right? It power everything. And it power the motherboard. Where nowadays
you're talking the battery. Are you talking the power supply?
The power supply, the power supply, right?
Yeah, okay,
that's the right term for you, the power supply.
Okay.
So it power the motherboard. Now, on the motherboard now, you know, Sabir, back in the day, you know, you have CD player and them stuff, when them have them thing there anymore.
No.
Them thing there run anymore. So the CPU, the central processing unit, and people listen because it's relevant because it's actually based off of the human brain. Yes. So the central processing unit is the brain. And just like our brain run everything in our body, even mood and everything, but the brain fragile, you know.
Very.
So the CPU, the computers are all about maths. Any computer, anything. When you are watching me now, when me do this and you are see my hand, believe it or not,
It's
the
working.
computer,
It's processing.
it a process, it a do mathematical
Yeah.
thing, and
Yeah.
and for say, if him raise him answer, make the graphics show it. So believe it or not, it's just doing it so fast, it's just ridiculous, right? So that is what the processor do. Anything you see on a screen, a phone, or this and that, it's
Yeah,
the
but Raga, may I say?
so it's a CPU doing that. So when the CPU is doing it, it's giving instructions, it's doing processing and whatever, right? But you also have a hard drive. So the hard drive is where you store your information. But when the CPU at work, it cannot use everything on the hard drive, right? And so when it work out things, and I said, do this and do that and do that and do that, it's using what's in the RAM.
Exactly.
So the CPU need the RAM. When the RAM determine the amount of instructions where the brain can send, the CPU can send.
But that's what I just said.
No, you said the CPU depend. Let me see what you said. The CPU depend on the RAM.
The more RAM you have, the CPU can do more, and in a limited.
Well, yeah. Well, you're right. I stand corrected when phrased that way.
Okay.
Ernie, no, the RAM is not the energy. The RAM is not. Ernie, think of the RAM as space. Think of the RAM as space. So the more space you have, the more activity you can go on the highway. So just think it like on the RAM like the highway. So if the highway narrow, just one lane you can have. But if the highway wide, then so then a whole heap of car can go. But at the CPU determine which car go, which direction then go, how fast then drive, how slow then drive, and whatever is the CPU determine that. But the CPU, it's limited by how wide the road is, so it can't tell us to go drive
and
pan 4 lane when 4 lane not there. It can say, I'm going 1 lane can go because you got a bottleneck. So the RAM now give the CPU all. And ladies, I know on the day I'm probably be like, I don't understand shit what they say. What's the tax for
read that, Raga. Watch a Raga. I see. Well, I see a user file last night. This user 8 blah blah 6. No, different one. This. I know 6969 one. This a different one. This. Okay.
Correct, and don't you know Raga doesn't love when someone correct him? He acts like he knows it.
That's what I mean. Anyway, we'll pass that quickly. Anyway, back to the hard drive now.
You know what he say is usually somebody who is a fake profile. Them if you go upon that, nobody now follow them. So them go to them way, create an account to say something negative. All right, Liam.
Pick up on the page of tiny paper, yes, man. Wet tiny paper.
Yeah, go and talk, yeah.
Yes, but like on that dog front arm, but that's a next story. But
yeah, go on.
Hard drive. I was talking about the hard drive. I look a bit at computer thing, I know. Generally, when your computer starts slow down, the hard drive getting defragmented. So basically, what happens is how I refer to it. I refer it to as if you wake up every day and don't make up your bed, go on road and come back in, jump back into the bed, then get up tomorrow, go back and come back in. How your bed look after a week? Everything, your bed mash up down. Well, that's the hard drive. So it's your computer slow down. So your computer need a bit of care. So all you do, you defrag the hard drive even once a week, tidy him up, tidy up the room, and it runs smooth.
But so you hear people here correct as a defrag. You mean defragment, and basically what he's referring to is that on the hard drive, you have a little, but you have to be careful doing a correct time because remember, say it's a little different now with solid state drives.
SSDs,
yeah. So that what you just say, it hold for the hard drive back in the older model. Yeah. So it doesn't necessarily apply to SSDs and whatever.
SSDs, Anyway, does that mean one look at computer talking? So does that mean the one?
No, but correct, and you see that when you pay attention to that, because whoever that person is, they need to say something negative, but they don't want anybody to know who they are, right? So them go to them way for create an account. That is time, and resource and focus. So them go to them way for create an account just to say something negative. Right?
Ain't that sad? Ain't that sad, really? Ain't that sad, really?
Yeah.
Is that a cry for help? A cry for help or something?
No, you just have people out there that's where they reside, and you don't have to do anything for people. You don't have to do anything for people, just get up and like you and whatever, and then them just focus on that energy, and then we just go to them way for try to draw you in a them thing and whatever, because there are people who mean alike. I'm not gonna lie. There are people who mean alike. But I would, it's a woman like me not go around them, I just leave them alone and thing. And I've never felt a need to go watch them and then go around them. Correct, and if me not like it, what me not go around you for?
That's you.
You have people who me not like, me not go around them. You have people invite me for that. So when people ask me for certain things, me will say to them, say, who and who I perform. I mean, I have to explain nothing, It's when them tell me, I know, so me and that person are good. What me I go over there for? So I'm always intrigued with people who, them not like you, but they're obsessed with you. Them go to them way for getting a your space. And 15 million good things will happen for you. Not a peep out of them mouth. You see the minute you buck your toe, see it there, God not sleep, a wicked and wicked,
A long time out of them something, a long time.
Yeah. And if you need to understand them people, you understand. So I said this for all I want who watch a show, right, and analyst. You not get her from that. And again, there's a direct correlation between something happen for you. I don't know the thing, what Anthony Abrams say. You never see somebody that threw a stone up in an empty mango tree, right? And as me telling you, you never see, you see when a dog love run off a car, they not run off of the car when the car is parked. The car have to move and go somewhere. And the dog, them will just run ferociously back at the car and upset with the car when the car go somewhere. But when the car is still and whatever, then don't even fart upon the car. Them all piss upon the car. Right? Them all piss. So whoever that is, them go to them where to create an account. I picnic them, a high school, but me I say that vindictiveness, they just know say people steer so. Right? And just know say if nothing not go on for you, they won't even see you and fart upon you. You're a nobody. But once you do well, you got people who happy for you and celebrate you and say, boy, so I'm trying, the woman, she always a try her, is a trying you that so you always have people, them don't even have to say nothing to you, them just in them space and them observe you and I say, no man, and them just want good for you, them just want to see you do well. You have people like that. And them feel good when them say other people are do well. And correspondingly, you have another set of people who they must say 10 million good things that happen out there for people or whatever. Hey, me have some friend like so-called friend like that, Them not do me nothing, me not gonna lie, them never do me nothing, But them people like Craigton, every time you talk to them just have something bad to say about that person, something bad, and them just have a bitterness and a misery. Yeah. And them obsessed with the people them who them not like.
Yeah, not like.
Me cut out them people out of my life. Me used to say, well, me and him not have nothing. Me and him not have nothing. And me and them cool and whatever. Me stop do that now, Me used to do that like, so me and them not have nothing. Me as well, I'm not doing nothing, so I'm cool with them. Me leg of them out of me. Can me depend this thing here when me I say. If you really think about it, you cannot unexperience an experience. So once you experience something, it's permanently inside of you. So you have to guard your experiences them down so that you don't have them, them something in your memory permanently. But cut out them people, man. Cut out them people, man. So you see all a person, but just I wish them all the best, More and blessings, man, them, man. More and them rise.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Fight them.
Man. No. When you hate somebody, them own you. I know you have power over them. when you're obsessed with somebody and I just negative,
You
you
only feel
want
when
to
care
see
about poor us, but we don't care still.
yeah. So I wish that person they all the best, who hide in the dark and not throw a stone and like a coward or whatever. It's all good.
It's all good. It's all
No,
good.
somebody like that, a confirmation said things are going for me. Right.
See it there.
Yeah, because if nothing ever going for you, they will see me, I come over here, so come and chat all kind of fun.
My big little lenience, just a big up my TamFam as them respect yourself. The Sham heal me, say evoking heal me. Everybody will heal me big up because my finger them tired I know. John, but I 8-hour shift and I just don't chew up the motor, me tired. So I say big on up. One time
No,
I got text much tonight.
where you just say a while ago?
But we just done an 8-hour shift driving the train and we do 3 hours on the motorway drive up. 11 hours driving, brother. I'm tired.
Oh, 3 hours on the motorway.
Yeah. I said the British I-95.
No, me think me you say something like your finger them tired and your mouth, but a motorway you say.
Jesus Christ. So you're nearly here, right? But you're right.
No, a motorway, but me just hear you say
Yeah,
my
motorway.
finger them tired, and my mouth, tired, but you say you're tired because you drive on the motorway. So me think you say your finger and your mouth them tired. But your finger them tired from the train, where you have to do on the train, right? When you're working.
Big up everybody. I can't be, maybe I'm tired, I'm going too fast, my British accent is kicking in, I don't know, I'm not sure. But,
you don't know? You don't know?
I don't know, mate, I don't know.
But
it can be a bit...
But I thought I heard you say you got some tired fingers, mate. You got your fingers tired?
tired fingers. I have got tired fingers. I'm not gonna lie about that. Hey, what I pass last night to the British man them last night. Drama. I like it. I did.
No,
I love you, Roger. I love you.
No, but see, some people, that's why you have to be careful when you go slip down the negative, because maybe that one day. But when you listen, I want it's like him depressed, and look like him catching him brethren, like him a contemplate for do something to himself. So so when you hear him brethren, I said, just know some love you and rate him, why you know that far where I come from, you know my mother and me know your mother and thing and whatever, just what the man I say, yeah, make me want ball, Sham, you never there last night. One accident
so now which finger so now I want to know which finger did busy. Hey.
Sonia, this man is one of the most competent train drivers in London, England, okay? And him have to use, when him a do him things, so that him a talk about with him finger. So that's him there, all right? Which is different from the finger they use when you lose your virginity back at church. Down a Grenada, different thing.
Down a Grenada. Yeah.
Ooh.
Overlooking the sea.
The place, but man, I lie. Me and a woman that shot something over there, so she have to hold the fence and I look over and then back and I'm still so. Catch a view. And me a style it, because I would have to turn, so I say, go so northeast. Go so southeast. A beer friggin' would have to keep up over this and whatever mood. I say, yo, wall the fence, bend over now one thing. I say, give me a year. No, man, I say, come up now, put your two up in the ear. A beer arms was would I go on with over there, Yeah. Everything balance up though, my brother.
Yeah, brother. I also don't look a bit and taking the show a little bit longer than because while I shower.
See it there. All right, my general. Big up yourself here, sir.
All right, TamFamers, loving Yeah, man. Ansness crew, big up on yourself, ANC, loving and everybody. Yeah, right. Sham Sweetness, big up yourself.
One Sham Sweetness. Craigton.
Yes, SDC.
Hold on. Craigton. Talk your truth with God love. Don't tell a lie. You never quietly yet look for Sham and say, buckle not body tree.
I never quietly said, no. I not say it quietly. I not say it quietly. Say, no bumbo clap. I not say it quiet.
You're not quiet with it, no. You're not quiet with it, no. No, man. And then one and Crichton, Sham, and you see how Sham, I look like she quiet, you know, like a little, you know, you look like she can't, you know. Then and you see when she walk, because she have a little bow leg something.
Cool, man.
You see it though? Yeah. Every time.
Yeah, me I look, man, but me head straight in the body, I just follow. Boom, boom, boom.
No,
360 degrees.
What for be able to say,
Yeah,
what I
it's straight.
respect him.
And the eyes around 360. Yeah, man.
Nah, man, but one
360.
time,
Full
Shama,
circle.
yeah, but one Shama walk, you know, Shama.
She dainty bad, man.
No,
She
hold
dainty.
on.
Nah, lie.
Me no know if Sham walk fast, you know. Me no know, you know, me not gonna lie. Me no know if she walk fast. But me never see her walk fast yet, you know. So watch Sham walk with a slow intentionality. Like, you know, somebody who know where them I go and not in a hurry. Right? And that connote confidence, you know. Yo, Crichton, so what me tell you, say, me not care nobody want to say the person this and whatever. You see, just like how woman can look for a man and say, he can't go out with nothing. All him a kill up himself, he can't go out. And then look for the next man and say, you know, say that boy there one dangerous
like,
boy.
Yeah, me, everyone said that, yeah.
Yo, all right. We can do that too, right? And we know the woman them will style the thing and whatever, and you just kind of pray them and say, can't go out nothing. And then you can look on another woman and who now, you know, who now hype and whatever, but you can see him. Hey, when one on Shama one dangerous, hey. And you get a run from Shama, you can't come and look at Dolly House thing, you know. No, we will winkle run through the town, upstairs and downstairs, you know, and Baba Black Sheep, you know. You think of, hey, remember,
Round the world of Jericho 7 times, eh?
No, man, but I say Sham have that body there, Sham have that body there, like, you can't take, you know, you're going, you know them woman who just strong enough to fling you off, you know, them one, at any moment.
And kiss them teeth.
And kiss them teeth. Sham have that something there, feel like, I can't bother, whoop, and there's nothing you can do. You understand what I say? Sham have that something there, you know, you have to, you know, Sham have that strong, firm body there, man. Glory, hallelujah.
Amen, 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 church.
Look what she post about I'm gentle and sweet. Can't fool me. But me tell you why, you know. You know, say every now and then she go back in and go show her some her picture them when she did a go dance when she young and whatever. And this you can see say she am a bad girl, you know, back in the day, you know. And it in there, cause once you learn to ride a bicycle, you know, you may choose not to ride a bicycle, but you know how to ride a bicycle. So, and you can stand up in a saddle and all these things and whatever done. Yeah, man.
Sham have that something there.
Sham have that something there, man. Sham have that something.
You know, you know who the surprise one? Just looking, you would never know.
Who?
You'll have to guess. Look when you see, you look at her, you see Mother Teresa. I tell you, man, it's a CBS on another level. The portal lady.
What about her?
No, if you look at CBS, it's Mother Teresa. You would never know she's the way she is.
Oh, no. Totally agree.
I love my CBS, man. CBS is on. Oh my God, she's one.
Yeah, she's very portalocious.
Orgasmic, man. Orgasmic.
Yeah, CBS is very portalocious, you know. She's quietly portalocious, you know what I'm saying? No, but if you look on CBS, she that thing so like, she look naive and whatever, like you can't broke her in a too dangerous girl, you know.
Tell you, boy. Tell you. Looks are deceiving, boy.
But you know who bad though, but she not loud with it, you know, but no, there's something in them too, you know.
Bueno.
Milo.
Oh, God, man. No. Shh.
Yeah, man.
I talk with my mouth closed.
Milo a dangerous girl to man. Wait, you see all that the one there? Me never meet her yet, you know. But me no know how it is. You can't just kind of pre some woman and say, and just be like, whatever, Terry Strawberry, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, man.
Well, you know who Tal. There's two me always a pre. Tal, T-A-A-L, and what's her name? Started L.
L?
L-O-N-I.
Oh, Lanoy.
Oh my God.
Lanoy.
Lanoy. Step on man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I love reading their text, man. They're funny. I love it. They're full of vibes. Trust me.
No,
Them too.
Lanoy dangerous too, man. Lanoy dangerous.
Yeah, man.
But me don't know if tell dangerous. Oh, she for dangerous. She's from California.
That make a difference. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
But tell me light it up. Full of lyrics, yeah. I mean, she don't have as much lyrics as K, but you know, but she still have lyrics, you know. K had the lyrics queen over here now, you know. K had the lyrics queen.
Me say K do some singing one night at time. I tell them she more nice through there, you know. K,
Where
K,
you say?
big
Where you
singer.
say? No, what? Hold on. Yo, what you talk to me and tell me say you want K in your studio.
For voice to sing. Oh.
Oh, okay. I don't want the disrespect, you know.
No, sorry about it. Forgot to go.
No want the disrespect, you know, so I came a thing there right now, all right? No want the disrespect here. Watch your talk, you know. Cause you're going like you want to come put K on your mixing board.
No, I'm like I'll put some gain on the 30 hertz. Don't be 30 hertz against
and say, yo, K, watch it now, K, more. You say no to K.
High frequency,
high frequency. Yeah, K. I want you sing some soprano and some alto now, you know?
Yeah.
Good. And you full of chat. Me one of them man, I see something where I can't manage. Me not play a hero, you know. Yeah. Me one of them man, me can't manage you. Go on.
Yo, it's okay, say, back up Craigton, don't come toss my salad. Whoa.
No, I have a big respect to K because me think a Dr. Mac, me think the whatever, and K have that something that.
Dr. Mac, you know, I love me Dr. Mac too.
But yeah, man, no, you know, see what me know, K have that something there where some woman have, you know. Them can't get a man without look a man, you know. You understand? Yeah. Kind of know what?
Yeah.
K just be herself, you know, and I say every time certain little eat come to K say, no, it's okay, do your thing. Do your thing. Right? Yeah, no, this is not gonna happen. You can go whatever. You know, say K reach a point where K just say, here we go on, Dr. Mac, you know. Me no want your man. You and Raga can stay together, but here we go on. I just 2 hours more want, here. Me take him for 2 hours and send him back. Hey, a bad girl, some of them. A bad girl, something, you know. This is my girl. Because what is implicit in that statement, you know, we are going to fight. I want to take a man, I can't take a man, but I don't want your man, but me take 2 hours off him and send him back good gear. Yeah, so you can't keep your man. It's okay. It's like, you know, what Kaya says, like, come on, we're not dead over body over here. What's wrong with you? Yeah, you can't keep your man. But me a bad girl, me take 2 hours off him and send him back to you. So just humble yourself and calm now. We are kill up yourself. Work with it. Yeah. Hey, K a gangster, you understand? K a thugs. You see, K know the yeah, Sean, boy, I'll be the referee.
I see, yeah.
Craigton, before you go, no, you know you have to go last thing and whatever. I want you to tell me the truth, right, you know. Because this I go touch you, know, so. First, can you be in love now at your age?
To be truthful, me personally, yes, I can. Yeah.
You can.
I can.
Okay.
I can.
The elements of what you call being in love now, is it different from being in love when you're in your 30s?
Hell yeah.
Right.
Of course. Yes,
share with us like just 2 ways in which being in, if you say you're in love now, that change from your 30s. We don't even say your teens, you know, we say your 30s.
Yeah, all right. In your 30s, you know, so we are senior citizens, you know, to most of them we are senior citizens. in your 30s, when you're in love and so forth, it's like you're thinking, well, sex is going to be a big part of it. It is always a big part of it. And sometimes it's sort of all your head, you feel so you're in love. And really and truly, take away, strip it down. At 30, going back, if I go back to when I was 30, strip it down. I know a full package. I never the full package, yo. As you get older, you do the maths and say, all right. For instance, well, I know of incidents. Because I don't incriminate myself. I know of incidents where, hold on, I have read. That's the right term to use.
Right, that's the right term to use, particularly on this show.
I have read.
Yeah.
Where, well, I don't mistake, but Mr. Man, as a yard man, pick up woman and at that them age, because the woman look good, she good in her bed and so forth, but the woman look to your face and, oh, me not cooking, they're putting stipulations where they not do this and not do that. Enough man, I put up, at that age, at 30, I would have put up with that and say, yeah, okay, cool, because she's all right and so forth. As I got older now, it takes more than, not that money that woman for wash, cook, and clean for me, because I can do that. But if she does it for me, it's, how can I put it? It's a comfort, but I'll still do it. I ain't got a problem. You know what I mean? So basically, I go too deep in this. If what love to me at 30 is not what compared to what it is now. Now it's more stability, more anything, brother. Balance.
Stability and balance. Stability and balance, right? Okay.
That's something there. That's something there.
Yeah. Well,
you agree?
No. I mean, it's not. It's what it is for you. It's what it is for you. No, but we have a discussion, with a couple women, they're my husband and wife, they're my husband, and them ask about that. So them basically I say, which is a solid argument they make, Kind of I say, as you grow together, you have to break up and get back together, even when you're in a breakup. Right? Listen, you have to break up and get back together, even when you're in a breakup. And I say, like, what you mean by that? And I say, well, when love change, if you don't understand, say, love change when you grow, when the change occur, well, actually, I'm going to paraphrase it that way, but the idea is like, when you're in a relationship, and it's a long-term relationship, time and circumstances going to reveal certain things in people, or people going to adopt and adapt to certain things, whatever, where them going to have different personalities than the person who you did when you did that with, right? The problem is that some people, when them go through that in relationships, and them say, like a side where them never see before, them partner transition in another side, that can be a bad thing, But it also can be a natural thing. Because I went to a reunion thing with from an undergrad. And one of my former classmates, she relate you to go school with we in the 90s. And she said it was just a turn off. She said, like, it's like him come the event to relate to people the same way that them used to relate to each other in college in the 90s. And she said he hasn't grown. Yeah, she said him no grow. So him come back here and whenever she said, what could be going on in a female mind make him think say him can come relate to people? So like, dude, we're not in college anymore. We're not like in our teens and early 20s in college anymore, whatever. And what I'm saying is, what I was trying to tell this couple is that when you're in a relationship, particularly for a time, yeah, you have people change or some things come out that is just fatal to the relationship. It happens. But there are other times when people are growing, and not only growing, but there's other times when the relationship is now transcending into a different space. And in doing so, you have some necessary rupture. And then you might be seeing sides to your partner that you're like, that's not who I married, or that's not who me did there with. But that can be natural. It can be something good. But if you insist to see it as something bad because you want that person to stay where you and them start 10 years ago, 12 years ago, 8 years ago, because that gives you security. Because that's what you're used to. And then when the person are grown now, and my blossom out, and them are coming to parts of them where they did a long time and them don't even know, but them have more confidence now and this and that and whatever and thing like that. If you now go get preoccupied and you say, somehow them are do something wrong because, and I saw you did steer or whatever, this and that, or whatever, thing like that. Now, if you can observe that, and you get a little anxiety and be like, what the hell? She wasn't like that, or he wasn't like that, and whatever. And go through a phase like, I feel like me don't know the person and thing. But approach it in a way where there is a rupture and you fall in love again. And you feel like, I love my wife in a different way. I love my girlfriend in a new way. I feel like, I get to know a new side of her, a new side of him, or whatever, because you got through a little breakup or a rupture. But I don't really a breakup, but you got through like a phase where a change will occur, not only to the person, but to the relationship, and you can transcend that and understand it, that this is a part of growth, like nothing stays on a plateau like right away, like at the same, whatever. Life no works, so you gotta go through, and so you have to understand them look flow there in a way where what love is in your 20s, it not gonna necessarily be what love is in your 30s, and it not gonna necessarily be what love is in your 40s. But as you transcend through those changes, and thing, yeah, you're gonna have some upheaval. You're gonna have some little rough spot, and if you know, say some of them things, there's just a natural phase. You just go through a little thing or whatever, and it's a new discovery, and the new discovery can be a good thing where you be like, yo, I love this side of you. I've never seen it before. I feel like I'm falling in love with you all over again. Come here, type of thing, Yeah. Yeah. That's why I made it ask. But definitely, so what me did I tell them say is that, I say, what is love for you? Because love is individually defining. I say, what is love for you? And them tell me, and then me say, listen, if that is the standard definition of love, then me can't fall in love. Because what is love for me right now is a very practical. It has nothing to do with heading out the clouds and them something and whatever. You understand what I say? Or whether or not you're cute or them sitting there. I ain't, Yeah, so if that what love is for you, then me, I ain't loving anymore.
Compatibility. Somebody to compatibility, man.
Now when you have for me, you have somebody you can joke and laugh with, and you have this. The compatible thing, and we are lying.
Yeah, me just as Martina, brother. I love chop me again, I joke me again, I love joke me again, brother, I chop and I'm not gonna change for nobody. This is me. And I've learned to be me. Me. I'm not gonna hold correct and not gonna hold me.
Man.
Right? I mean, I think I'm a bad person.
Oh, you're certainly not.
I'm not a bad person.
You're certainly not. I can vouch for you in that regard. You're not a bad person at all. Correct, Elaine, this says she go late in the car, Shafi. But she said about 8:30 so and so. I'm not see her. I've been send her invite. I'm not see her. All right, my brother and thing or whatever. But hold on, last question before you go though. But where you are though, you have a bathroom there though, right?
2.
Oh, okay. You just done me. I saw people for done. Correct. I saw people for done people when them are right with them like, yo, my youth, you even have a bathroom in your place. 2. Not the money. 2. And your point is, bitch. All right. Pretty one queen, I said, Raga asked Craigton if him full of blanket, what she mean? If you're full of blanket?
I think she mean if me I wear a blanket for England cold, maybe. I'm not sure. That you mean, pretty queen? Pretty one queen?
I mean, I don't know, but she right now chat and thing. No, it's probably she want to come to London, come wrap up in your blanket.
Oh, yeah, so entire, just, no.
All right, bro, big up yourself.
I love talk with my mouth closed,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all right,
Don't
big
go
up
no
yourself.
big beard there. Big up big beard. Long time you see me get all kind of coats.
Nah, my big beard, they bout, man. Him, they bout, man.
Yeah, man.
They bout, man.
Da. Anyway, big up on yourself, guys.
All right, Papa, bless
Delicious.
you.
Big up.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, cool. But then,
When someone linked me about a thing yesterday, and when Elaine said, all the while when the man them come in and shop, them see our mouth and them say the way our mouth set them know say they so set good, you know? And can you know say Elaine say for a long time Elaine say she tight like that, you know? I was surprised, you know, that I didn't know that was a thing. I know about do not talk about man with big foot and them something there. But I didn't know that Jamaicans that yeah, because a couple people link me after you know, man and woman. Women say to no, yeah, Raga, you never hear that yet. So when a woman them mouth small and thing down the tight and whatever, I say I never really hear that. Now, me know say some woman mouth tight. Big up the tight mouth woman them. Yeah. Yeah, big up the tight mouth woman them. Yeah, Monica say yes, so apart baby girl say a long time. You see, say, man, all while me telling you when you know the person who come in with them negativity earlier. I know somebody who there every night, you know. Because all the while me telling you, you know, say, me never know that, right? I wanna know that. All the while when I bring up things we're like, really? Me never know that. Me never know that one, yeah. And you know, a Jamaicans are kind of say, Raga, I want me to you a long time. Was that a Freudian slip? Almost a thing I end up as a tongue. And you talk about mouth, you know. And you talk about mouth, you know. You see, whatever. They must say, no, man, a long time thing that Raga, always that's when a woman them mouth, you know, whatever, boom, 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 boom. You say they're so tight. So like, it's a thing with Jamaicans, whatever. I didn't know that. But I know say some woman more tight though. Yeah, some tight mouth woman out there. And bad like, yes, man. I say big up a tight mouth woman them because we not getting no details, you know, but you don't know the 100 rate. That's what we are talking about, don't. Yeah, man, I have some tight mouth woman out there, man. And them know themselves too, you know. You see what I say? Aha. Good as they are.
Nana close Raga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elaine. We have the meat shop and there. We tight like a vice. Who have the most unique voice. Happy birthday to you.
You probably know. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! But Elaine, me bring you up a while ago, you know, you did a come in, you know, but me see, me don't know. No,
Yes, Raga.
no, me bring, no, don't make me hear the thing in the background, here. All right, yeah, so when I say me bring you up a while ago and we did a see you, you have on your crown, but we not see you now, what happened?
Oh my God.
No, don't worry, it's fine. We're gonna work this out. But
Yeah.
it's on your side though. Make sure. Well, me can't tell you say you have to allow me to see you because me just
No
a see
why
you.
you see me.
Right, we just no, but we just saw you now. We just saw you for a second there, but we don't know what happened. It go up. There is a way to. I just want to make sure say you know block it, you know, because there's a way for block it, you know. Oh, see you there. All right, see you there. Watch out! Alien, wait, I want to look for my friend. Watch out, give them style, Alien. Give them style, Alien. No, them just dead. 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 Why, Ilian, big up yourself, you know. Look at you. Look at you.
Thank you.
All right, Ilian, good to see you. Happy birthday to you, Ilian. You're 51, you know. 51 pandemic years, 51 storm. Come back again in a Jamaica, you know. In place turn over, you know. I mean, when say your sister sit down there, look for you and I laugh too, you know.
She gone to church.
She gone to church. She gone to church. So where you go since night? I make you. Where you go since night? I make we couldn't see you.
No, me did in at the shop.
Oh, you didn't shop and thing and whatever. See.
Up 7:30.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Are you beard?
Just freshen up.
Cause the beard from this morning, though.
Yes.
Cause you beard every morning and thing.
Every morning.
Well, Elaine, let me tell you something right now. On behalf from me, right? And the TamFam, on behalf of the TamFam, I just want to say, boy, we appreciate your personality, we appreciate who you are, we appreciate your genuineness, and more than anything else, I'm going to be presumptuous enough to say that I'm putting into, and for the people over YouTube, don't get vexed, but we're seeing Elaine on TikTok here, so if you can find it in your capacity, in your resources and thing, to even jump over upon the Ragashanti page for a second. Elaine, you get cut off, you know. For a second there, people may not have nothing to do with that because I know say it's in fashion now to beat me. Right, may not have nothing to do with that, but Elaine will come back in or whatever. The internet service in Jamaica at times can be a little challenging and things, so I suspect that is some of what is going on. And including Wi-Fi services and things like that. All right, so she going to come back. Oh, and again, many of you want to give Elaine a contribution, right? And Antasha and CBS called today, and they were like, you know, we want to give Elaine something, Raga, but we don't want to send it on TikTok because we know she's not going to get it because she don't have access to her account is not aligned. So these people you see on TikTok when they get gifts, their account, there's a whole process you have to go to connect your account to a bank account. Elaine really do them something there, you know. So Antasha and CBS called today and they're like, we want to send her something or whatever, so we want to send it to you and whatever. And, you know, CBS was like, Raga, we know you say you're not do them something there anymore and whatever and things like that. We had a discussion and, you know, and I was like, okay, no, for Elaine, anything. For Elaine, anything. So Christina and Antasha, they sent me their thing, you know, for Elaine. If any of you want to send something to Elaine for her birthday and thing, you can send it to me, okay? I assure you she gonna get every cent you want to send to me. I mean, I put in my little thing in it too and whatever, all right? And then bless her up and things, see? So send it to me And you're going to send it, if it's Zelle, you're going to send it to the 516 number, the regular 516 number, 516-500-0210. That's 516-500-0210. 516-500-0210. So you could Zelle it to me. Zelle is preferred. If you want to send it Cash App, it's Ragashanti, but make sure you spell the name right. Ragashanti. Ragashanti. One of the little tricks out there is that people use people name and put a little thing different, so when people make mistake, them send it to them or whatever. Lots of games out there. If you're outside of the United States, such as Canada, and you want to send something, you'd have to do it through PayPal. And you send it to ragashanti@gmail.com. Ragashanti@gmail.com. So again, don't gift Elaine on TikTok. She's not going to get it, okay? All right? So you send it to me. I'll put everything together, shut it off to her through Western Union, okay? All right? So for Elaine, we're going to do this with Elaine. And let me see if she's back up, because I want her to hear this. Here we go.
Yeah, I got me.
Yeah, all right, okay. Yeah, man. So, Elaine, I just want you to know, say, your authenticity, right? You're just authentic, you're just yourself, and I just want you to know, say, people appreciate that. It's like going to be so presumptuous to say, for say, that is something where people appreciate about you. You're just real. But even in your realness, though, you have your own unique way of showing love and respect to people. And that is a beautiful thing. You love and you respect people, and that is a beautiful thing. So you have that perfect balance where you just be yourself and talk your mind and talk where you want to talk and things like that. And Elaine, you're one of them person that, like, you don't have to try to be funny, right? No, it's just a natural gift with you. Somebody could be you could be giving somebody directions and say, "Oh, you want to find the wholesale? All right, here where you go." And the minute you start talking, Elaine, people just feel a joy. You just have that something there. You're a gift that, and so many people appreciate it and think. Enough night with there, and you just make a night like a joy, and that is one of the central purposes of this show, for provide like an outlet for people can just kick back and enjoy themselves and all a laugh and whatever. Lastly, I'm not gonna make out of some people coming. You do have your opinions on stuff and your insight and thing that quite often, believe it or not, Elaine, the people listen to you and they feel inspired, them you will say some things and it make people think, So you're not just about joke and being whatever, because you will argue, you point them and whatever, and in your own way, you have your brilliance, in terms of your perspective on things, the way you frame things and the way you explain certain things and whatever, and people hear and at times we have conversations and whatever, and people be like, "No, I agree with Elaine. I love that perspective that way Elaine have." Or them say, "Boy, I wish I was like Elaine, come with I wish I did have that something like Elaine, whatever." I hear that all the time. So overall, you're a beautiful, wonderful human being. I would love you for that. I would just like really grateful that you're in at the TamFam, and that we can enjoy and appreciate the good things about you. All right, okay. I talk enough and whatever, but that's again, people. Remember now. If you send gifts in general, fine. But remember now, whatever you want to give to Elaine, send it to me. I swear to you. But I wicked if I take out 1 cent out of it. All right? I'm going to send it to her, all right? I'm going to just put everything together and just Western Union it to her and take blessings and respect. All right? So let me hear what someone have to say right now. And ting. Let's go. Bring in some people, and make them talk up with something with them, and Yeah, well, go on. Nikki! What's up?
Hey, I'm you first.
Are you
Good
first?
night, good night, good night, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
I'm me first.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I told Elaine happy birthday on our post this morning. So I'm gonna tell her happy birthday again. And you know I'm gonna sing.
All right.
You hearing me? You hearing me clearly?
Yeah, man, well, you're clear, clear, clear.
All right, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elaine. Happy birthday to you. Now we're going to go down into the Miss Lou version. So here we go, here we go. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, dear Elaine. Happy birthday. Sing TamFam. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, dear Elaine. Happy birthday.
All right.
Happy birthday, Elaine. Wishing you all the best. 51 years strong. One more year upon them. More blessing, more love. We love you over here, okay? Happy birthday.
Man, big up yourself, Nikki, all right? Cool.
All right, big up, Raga. Big up,
Yeah,
TamFam.
Man, cool. And as I bring in the people, them right, you know, alien night tonight. All right, a good night tonight. Here we go. See, a good night tonight. Hello.
Yeah, them have them there.
Hello.
Because them have the statement and then have the receipt and then print out everything. And they have the statement.
Person then. All right. Come over here, so. Well, this person is no surprise that this person is coming here now. Big beer.
Greetings and good evening to Uncle Raga and the TamFam.
Mm-hmm.
Elaine, my love. Wow, boy, you look good, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Fireside.
Oh, God.
So me I just gonna say this. Happy birthday, y'all, my friend. One more year upon them. More thanks for life. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Happy birthday, y'all, my friend. Me love you from here to forever till then. Enjoy your day, beautiful. Blessings. Love you much.
All right. So when you said next year, you're doing it again. So you're going to wait 1 year for you and I do it?
Raga, now involve me and Elaine are going with you. Understand?
Okay.
Just stay on Elaine. Stay on Elaine, please.
Oh, my apologies. It was a curious question.
Me no want no problem.
Okay. My bad.
All right.
All right, big beer. One big beer. All right.
Yeah, man. Blessings to everybody, man. And Elaine, we catch up, my love. Enjoy.
It goes someone, see? Yeah. Blessing. All right. Watch your ride. I'll go over here so back here now and think and whatever. Queen.
Good night, Elaine. I can't sing, so I'm gonna have this sweet melody. So I'm just gonna sing, say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And I want you to enjoy the rest of your day. This is just a milestone. Many more years to come. Good health, good energy, more wealth. That's all good things we are wishing for you as the year goes along. All right?
Man.
All right.
Cool, man. Yeah, man. Respect. And just a juggling, you know, up in the thing, you know, Elaine day, Elaine night, you know. I am. The whole week belong to Elaine right now, you know. You see it? Watch it right. Oh, sorry, no, just come on, yes. Just I go down the line, I go down the line, I go down the line. Hold on, it's a phone call that come over here, so you know, let me see what I go on. And think. Hello? Hello? Caller? Hello? Hello? You see people over here, it's a different thing over here, so you know, somebody have to literally dial a number and have to come on and not talking. Then nobody can accidentally dial a number. You know?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
You just call the number, you know, so I call you back.
Who's this?
You just call this number, so we call you back. This is Ragashanti.
Oh my God, Raga. I'm sorry. It must have been a butt call, but I'm glad to hear your voice.
A butt call? But you'd have to dial out the number, I don't understand.
No. I was just talking on the phone. I hung up and I put the phone in my pocket, so I don't know what happened.
No, but what I'm saying is this is a phone number. So if you never called before and butt call, it can't call back a number.
I did. I called you before.
Oh.
And I spoke with you a while back when you were on a fast. Remember? You were doing a fast.
Right.
And I told you that the tea that you were drinking.
Oh, no, okay. Right, remember. Okay, me just want to confirm because we just get, if you look on your phone, you're going to say a call it come in from you, you know. But all right, sorry, here, blessings here.
Blessings, take care, all right, one love.
Yeah, man, respect, man, cool.
Bye-bye.
Okay. No, I never call her back, man, and say, I want to go and write this, and you say, you just call. Ay, God. Too sexy for you all. What go on?
Hello, good night.
Good night.
Hello. Hi.
She must say I use hot and spicy Wi-Fi. Man, too sexy for you all. You want go on? Eh?
Hello, you're not hearing me?
We just a hear you now. Don't move. Stay right there so where you're there.
Yes, I said good night, everyone, and I just wanted to echo everything that you said before about Elaine, and I also.
She get cut off again, you know. No, man, when she do it, she over upon the neighbor them veranda, but she keep on a come off her veranda, you know. She have to stay upon the veranda.
Me in my bedroom, sit down up.
Then I want your phone cut off, so.
I don't know.
All right, but send on for Elaine, you know. Gone again. Well, too sexy for you have to go. You know, she a mute her phone. She a mute her phone, you know, all right. So she not too sexy for you. You keep on a mute your phone here.
Okay.
Yeah, your Anna touch the phone icon and I mute it. So hold the phone so you know. Cut here.
You know, if you want it, just put it on our bed and talk.
All right, talk now.
Happy birthday, Elaine. May you have a lot of smiles coming to your face like what you have brought to us night after night.
Oh.
May you have a year full of wonderful experiences and moments. And just continue being your natural, authentic self. I wish you health and wealth and long life and many more birthdays to come. Enjoy the fullest. You're welcome.
All right, too sexy for you all.
Yes.
Your fan up on the mid speed, you know. You may want to turn it down a little bit.
Okay.
All right. Me hear your fan in the background. A standing fan or a little fan?
It's a standing fan.
Oh, okay. Big things are going for you. Anyway, when I get to when you have standing fan, you're a star.
Okay. Well, I'm not in the ghetto.
No, but just I said when you're in a ghetto, a standing fan, I do the thing, you know?
Okay.
All right, then. Blessings here.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Okay, cool. Good night.
Good night, my turn.
Yes, Java, your turn.
Okay, good night. Okay, Miss Elaine, we just want you to know that birthdays are special and so are you.
Oh.
So on this, your special day and special, we are hoping that you will create new memories, new adventures, and we wish you nothing but long life in good health.
Wow.
Blessings upon blessings, Elaine. We love you. Yes. From ANC ladies. All when time we are war, Elaine, I love and love only.
Man. All right. Blessings, Java. Respect and honor. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Cool,
Aye.
cool. You see it? That's I think then, Alien. All right. Now bring in the people and bring in the people and bring in the people and. Hello.
Hey, Raga, bless up. Elaine.
Hi, Lady K, my sister.
Oh, my days. You were once, twice, 3 times a lady. And I love you. I love you. Happy birthday, Elaine. May the good.
Shit. Kay, you mute your phone here. Kay, yeah, take the mute off for your phone. You accidentally mute your phone.
I'm sorry, you couldn't get me now?
No, yeah, you did accidentally mute your phone. Okay, go on now, yeah.
Okay, I'm saying to Elaine, may the good Lord bless her. May he continue to shine his face upon her and give her peace. And I'm rejoicing with her today that God has seen it fit to give her another year around the sun. Cut your cake, celebrate. I'm thanking God also that I found you in my life and I really love you. Enjoy the balance of the day, okay?
Blessings. All right, Kay, big up yourself, man. Cool.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
All right. Come over here, so now. Badam bam bing. Drop right here, so. See? Alien night. Spiritually blessed, what I'm going.
Hi, Raga. Good night.
See?
Hi, Elaine. Well, I finally get to see you. Big up yourself, Elaine. Elaine. Oh my gosh. Elaine, don't listen to the voice. They just gonna sing happy birthday for you, yeah? All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Elaine. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Elaine, enjoy your special day. And night time you make me laugh. I when me have a patient, I say, boy, I wouldn't I tell her sweet you so. I when all when me I look after her, me I dead with laugh. Me I say she I wonder if me I turn idiot. But Elaine, me love your vibes. Me love your vibes, Elaine. We love you and enjoy your day. And me and you are the same age. So hope one of the time now you can celebrate in the same year. You never know. So enjoy your special day. Lots of love and kisses. To you, Elaine. All right? Okay. Bye, Raga.
All right, spiritually blessed. Enough love and honor. Yeah, cool, man.
Okay.
Yeah,
Bye.
man, cool. Good evening, Carla. What's up?
Wagwan Raga.
There, I give thanks. You know, what's up?
Me there, man. Me there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Talk, no?
You talk, me I talk.
No, you did stop talk.
Okay. I bless up Miss Elaine. And me I wish her a stiff, cocky good night and her earth strong. I'm wishing Miss Elaine a stiff, cocky good night and her earth strong.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, then. Cool.
All right.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool. Is Miss Bev there? No, Miss Bev. Oh, I told me hear somebody coming around. Miss Bev here, then sit me here.
Decorate the place, my bestie.
Oh, big her up, you know. Bestie, big up yourself, you know. Right? All right. Yes, if I have power with my sister Elaine and thing, you know, say your ratings turn up to, you know. Okay. One family, one umbrella, as Ninja Man used to say. All right?
All right, Raga.
As no say Raga love you and rate you too. Even though. So give me a little prepare for your face now.
Me not too cute tonight,
It's no worry yourself, man. Over here, we kind of keep it 100, you know. So no worry yourself. All right. All right. Okay. You better you put out the car because we are going like you want to take our space for. You don't know if you are night tonight.
No, my night. Get up my night.
No, me means you're alien night tonight and thing. But big up yourself here. All right. And thank you for, you know, for being a good friend to my friend, because I know she's a good friend to you too. You see?
Always.
All right, man. It goes some, man. Blessings, man. Cool. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. Let's bring in somebody else and thing. Here we go. Alrighty. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good night. Good night, Elaine. Hello.
Yeah, man, we are here, yeah, man. Talk.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Elaine.
Thank you.
And I hope you live to see many more, and I wish you all the best.
You know who I talk, Elaine?
Dr. Raga.
All right, then. Cool. Me just want to make sure I can shop both your pet. But you don't hear the frog them in the background, so you know what is what, I think so.
I'm a friend.
Yes. I'm a friend. Yes, my friend, I'm here. And I wish you all the best. My birthday comes up in November. We're all senior citizens. November, I will be 51 also. So I'm a girl, Jay, I'm going to reach before me.
One thing for me me a little Canadian accent.
Yes.
Wait, the more full of food. Let me eat. Wait,
Now right time to put on the
some more.
accent, man. Right time to put on the accent.
What you eating?
Are you gonna wait? I'm eating some yam and some liver and some pumpkin and some sweet potato and some carrots. Yeah, that's what I'm having. That's what I'm having for my dinner right now. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Which is right.
I went on the road and I went on the road and I come back home late, so I have to cook. I'm not going to my bed hungry tonight because night hungry is very dangerous.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm eating something right now.
Right.
And boy, Elaine, you smile. Listen to me, Elaine, must give some accent.
I would a man the attack. I would a man the attack. Lisa.
What hear your voice?
Lisa, who the man? Who the man?
I'm a son, Raga.
Yeah,
Raga, I'm a son.
What are we every time we hear man voice? The only time I never your son, I did miss a Canadian, and every time I your son. A fool, you take people for down, right? The amount of time you use your son as an excuse.
Raga. Raga. Me da me yard sit down in my house. Me da me yard sit down in my house, Raga. I'm a son, talk to me. Me na use my son, me no excuse, Raga.
The lady said, hold on, no, hold on. ELAINE2CUTE, you go on the thing. When you talk to me, accent, man, we want to hear the accent, man. Okay,
so I'm not, that's what I'm saying to him. That's what I'm saying to him, that Elaine needs some accent and give her some accent. Right? And you going to say I'm using my son as excuse? I'm not using my son as no excuse. I'm saying to you that's my son I'm talking to.
Yeah.
So if I was talking to a man, I would say, I would say, listen, I'm talking to Ragashanti. You can disturb me right now.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
So I'm talking to my son.
Yeah. Point taken.
So when I'm talking. Right, so you're gonna come and say, "Oh, when I'm talking to Canadian men, or I'm talking to my son."
Yeah.
Okay.
Well said. Clarification received.
Oh, and guess, although it's Elaine night, guess what?
What? Tell me what.
Yesterday I see someone and he say, "I must tell you that you need to pay your juju bill. If you're not gonna pay your juju bill, I must not talk to you."
Somebody tell you that?
Yeah.
Meaning me owe them?
No, you owe me. He said, "Listen, you need to tell Raga to pay you for your juju."
No, but
because you're always talking to him. That's what he said.
Some always talk to him.
To me.
To you. Oh, so me if I pay you for the. So why me? So even if me did I buy front, why would I give you money and me never get your front yet?
That have nothing to do. You can do down payment. A lot of people pay for goods that they never receive.
No, but then on the other side, me know for a fact say any me get your front and thing would even it would even worth 10 cents. So why would I pay for something when I have no value?
Excuse me?
Why would I pay for something when I have no value? Right?
You're rude.
ELAINE2CUTE and Elaine say she say she have the meat shop, right? Butcher anytime meat what?
Elaine have
meat pack. Yeah, Elaine have the meat pack and Elaine say when she wash and things she have to be careful because down the toilet, right? You don't have the goodness like that and whatever where you want money for and thing. My girl move from here so with the $10 front here, man. You come here say I make up nice and I come and talk up all kind of thing and whatever. I'm gonna carry them small change and a small change to your front. Right? A brown money front you have, pay a penny.
What ELAINE2CUTE? Is it what ELAINE2CUTE?
Mona, you come and start me up. You come and start me up.
You start up long time, you come like them old car way down a Cuba. You come like Castro all car, them having a Cuba park up. You start up long time, but you're not the engine.
There's an organization in Jamaica called with an acronym called the JSPCA, right? The Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal, right? Every night, every day when you come out by your veranda, they frog them in a agony, a be a ball, them a ball out and thing. Them need to come up there and help the frog them and thing and whatever and tell you, cross your leg them.
Sometimes my leg cross long time, me don't talk to you long time, no argument to you. The man say you must pay me. Because the man I listen to you for a sausage session for out of the white man come on asphalt road. And him know say me you always attack. Right?
Yeah.
And yesterday when I come from my farm, I see him and him said to me, say, Raga, me say I'm a Raga on TikTok and he said, you know what me, you know, so I cannot speak the word. You're
supposed to come for ELAINE night a big money, you know. You're not shame. And I your night tonight, all right? Right? And I your night tonight. All right. And I your night tonight. And I your night tonight. Go and eat your bull and ease yourself, here.
I know nothing. Still a burp when me done a bright.
All right, give ELAINE some blessings before you cut, you know. Before me take your next car.
ELAINE, God bless you. And I hope you live to see, we live to see many, many, many more. We're going to live until 300 years old. Have a good night and a blessed night, my love. Bless up yourself, my good friend. Yeah. I can eat my dinner in peace. Because now no beard, I can no beard. I feel the water.
Nah, look upon you, you know. When nah, look upon you, you know, froggy girl. You're good. All right? But just know something. I love you and rate you, you know, and anybody do you nothing, call me. Okay.
No, call.
Here, I'm out a clap. Yeah, man. Be a clapper, I'm out a clap, you know.
Hello.
Hello, wait, another ANC. What's up?
Not much. Hi, Elaine. INC ladies. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. You always make me laugh. Although I'm not really there in the chat sometimes, but I tell us so when you come on, I pure dead-ins, the pure laughing, pure joking. If I have a bad day, you always cheer me up. Nobody at all can come near you. You understand? Even though we war sometime, but that's it. Outside of that, nobody else can come in anything. You understand?
Yeah.
So I wish you nothing but the best. Hope you had a wonderful day and blessings, okay?
Oh, that was really like, yeah. When you ANC ladies, you have a nice side too, you know. Kind of shocking, but it's well received, I would imagine. Yeah.
Today's not the day, and today's not your day, Raga. It's Elaine's day.
All right, okay. Auntie Hans. All right, Auntie Hans. Big up yourself.
All right, bye, Elaine. Bye, sisters. Bye.
Love and blessings, man.
All right, bye.
Cool. Why, Elaine, the ANC, them a show your love, man. ANC, them a roll out for you, know, Elaine. Beer ratings, them a give you. You see it? Oh, wait, I thought this person was coming up. But I lean back and I get comfortable, though. Lati girl said, they are all nice ladies. Big up ANC. Lati girl, how you know about the ANC then? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
What going on, God?
Me there, you know, what going with you?
Me there too, I give God thanks and praise, you know?
Have to. Blessing.
Me want to tell you, your son, happy belated birthday to him.
Right. KJ.
And happy belated birthday to one of my daughter too. Monday was her birthday.
Oh, okay. All right.
And that said, happy birthday to you, Elaine.
Thanks, Auntie. I love you joke them.
Love you too, and it's good to see your face. You look like me, or yeah, you look like me, cause me older than you.
Watch out, me just I realize I we in a alien. What a way you remember, Ari? All right. See
Yeah,
you.
me wish you many, many one more to come, healthy ones, and God riches blessing on you. So, I want to tell you too, that me use your Pink Floyd name. Cause I have one friend, and her husband very, very jealous. Him start accuse her about man. So she even stop go bed with him. So when dear shot tell me when my behave, and I said, tell him, say, go ahead, cause you have your Pink Floyd. And she said, what name Pink Floyd? So I tell her, I say, Mr. Rabbit Head. So she said, oh. So of course him come and quarrel with her and she said, go ahead. When I have sex with you, I'm a Pink Floyd. You hear him now? What? If I catch him a popping clot. So if you see your Pink Floyd clot pop, or him pop it, he might say twice. Say, the boy that when me see on your phone are him. But the boy when me see on her phone is our nephew. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So,
All right.
yeah, use
Blessings,
up your
man.
Pink Floyd name.
Okay.
Mm.
Just enjoy your auntie.
Yes, dear. Take care.
Blessings, man. Blessing,
Take
blessing,
care.
blessing. All right, Putos. Take care, yeah?
Blessing, yeah, man.
You know, true, me not used to my when name they don't listen. I almost hang up me, you know, I think say I hang up me, I gotta hang up the line. Here we go. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Oh, wait, somebody sent me $1 on Cash App. I think this is the person trying to confirm that they can send. So somebody sent me $1 on Cash App. I said somebody sent me $20 on PayPal, right? So that would mean that I'm not calling a name because I don't think I don't want a name for call. But yeah, so I just wanted to know people outside of the country. Somebody sent me $20 on PayPal and somebody sent me $1 on Cash App. Now usually when people send $1, they want to confirm that them can send it. So the person who sent it, I just wanted to know that it come true. And again, anything sent, I like going to Elaine. I like going to Elaine. Me no want bad bless follow me, so whole I go to Elaine. Just know that, right? And then people in the United States, if you want to send something to Elaine, you can do so through Zelle, right? Zelle, and the number is 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, okay? And again, I better want to send it that way there because, and there's a reason why I always go in detail and I explain all of this. I know it sounds redundant to somehow, no? But I just want to do it again. So, Antarsha and CBS, two ANC women called me today and they were like, we want to send something to Elaine, but we know she not connect to TikTok and thing and whatever. So how would we want to send it to you and thing and whatever. And even though I kind of cut out them intermediary thing there from a while now, I say, yeah, I'll do it. And them send over for them thing. Some of us want to send in and by Zelle. It will go to Elaine, all right? Okay, good night, Carl. Good night. Hello?
Night.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, hello?
Yes, Raga.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Elaine. You look so beautiful tonight. God bless you. And I hope you may live to see many, many more. Okay, and all the best now. Thank you.
Respect, man. All right. Thanks so far. Yeah. All right. One Miss Babe, she love our church, you know.
Yes, my love.
I hope this is okay, cause sometimes I don't understand them something, man. TikTok. Hello?
Hi, Raga. Good night.
Good night.
I've just called to say happy birthday to Elaine. I hope you live to see many, many more. I enjoy your jokes, man. You make me laugh. You crack me up at night. Yes. Enjoy yourself. So,
All right, blessings, man. Enough thanks here.
all right, Raga.
Yeah, man, on behalf of Elaine.
Raga,
Eh?
Tina, they were fine and belly in the chat.
Tina, yeah, Tina. I forgot the number. What one number there after her name? What it was? It was Tina 69?
Something like that.
Okay. Tina, where you there? And then Elena asks you, Tina, where you there? Alright. See, Tina 43. Tina dead with laugh.
Good morning, Raga.
Good morning, sir.
Elaine, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Always I listen to your car. I work with them now still. So it's like after 3 in the morning, you always crack me up, you know what I mean?
Thanks.
So, Elaine, you have to use flight tonight, you know. Don't put him down. Are you buy one new one? You buy a new one, Elaine?
No, the same Pink Floyd.
Let's see, Raga, I'm not going to send you one at a time. I don't know if Raga did do it. Or it,
No,
it,
you bring the rose for me.
Now bring the
I don't
rules
know.
when we go down. Remember, say we are going on the in July, you know, so.
I will just come back from Sunday, Raga.
Cool, man. Yeah, where are you? You're in the UK, obviously, but we're in the UK.
Yeah, yeah.
We're in the UK. London?
No, Essex.
Essex.
Raga, I made it cause a lot of controversy for the one at a time, but that's why I changed the name.
Oh, okay. What are you the call about the Obia mix-up?
No, it's at the church.
Church. Okay, man. We get so much church mix-up and thing.
Yeah.
Anyway,
A
big
lot
up
of
yourself.
people call me. Yeah, man. Elaine, God bless you.
Thanks.
All right,
Well,
respect, sir. Yeah, man. Cool. In you the beat the neighbor one. I'm gonna need my Amy Mooney on. And with my mini. Watch out, one nether ANC. I walk one.
Good night.
Good night, Mama Ans.
Hi, TamFamers, INC sisters. Listen,
Oh, you said hello, Tom Farmers before ANC sisters, you know. That's good.
Elaine, you're so beautiful. Happy birthday to you. Yes, listen. Obviously, we have to come with a little singing. So here it
Yeah,
goes.
yeah.
Raga, move. But here you now. All right, Elaine, this is for you on your special day. Happy birthday to you. This is your day. Age is just a number. We love you in every way. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you. To you. Get it, boo? Get it, boo? Get it for us, Elaine. Hobbies in the background, like ad libbing.
Me say me there hear the bass I hold down the rhythm I go and me I say, me can't believe when me I hear. No, Elaine, your ratings gonna lead. Elaine, your ratings gonna lead. Elaine, this man in a no phone thing and excitement and whatever, you know. For you get Anthony for sing your happy birthday, you know, say rating. You know. No, I'm serious, you know, Elaine, but I believe me, I say it as hype. I say it as hype. I know film thing this, you know. You understand? And whatever. No, Elaine, you think, then 20, how will you get singing voice from? How would the man cost too bad on the night, man?
He's not listening, but because I'm singing, say happy birthday to Elaine.
Hi, Elaine, happy birthday. But Antasha, no, sir.
Yeah.
First of all, you can cook curry goat.
Oh, here we go.
All right. There's another thing where we realize say you can pop off with authority when I get in at that. Right? You can't leave that alone. Right? Well, you can do drive-by verbal takedown. And no, you can hold a note. Nah, me never know you can hold a note. Because your ANC sister and them can't sing for save them life, you know. Me can't tell you that. Them cannot sing for save them life. And me say what me say. None of them can sing.
Listen, only because I know our night this, you know. Gladys Knights and the Pits have nothing upon we one already.
Listen to me. You can't sing, so it would be Gladys Knight and the Pits. P-I-T-S. Because they can't sing. Okay, me can't tell you that. Munchie can't sing. Delmarine can't sing. Naki can't sing. Oh God, Java no make Java try to sing. Any of Java try to sing, you will like dog then left in neighborhood. You understand?
Well, God's willing, next year, singing competition, here we come.
When you know, say SDC I go shell out. What that a while ago?
That's hobby singing in the background. I mean, it's just random.
No, he needs to stop, you know, because if I'm going to make dead from like shock and trauma.
but listen, Elaine, again, you know, tonight is, you know, all about you. And I'm glad, you know, you have given us the opportunity to really share your special day, right? Because it is. So the fact that you're here sharing it with us, I just want to say, may you always remain in great health. May this year and beyond bring you endless happiness and, you know, great opportunities, right? We wish you nothing but the best. Blessings on top of blessings in abundance for you always.
Oh, that was so sweet and sincere. You know, very good, very good,
night.
very good, very good. Yeah, man. All right, blessings, man.
Later, sisters. Later, cook and dash way. Bye.
All right, cool. Yeah. You probably don't know anything, but quietly, you know, Tasha, ever look out for you, you know. Ever look out for you, you know, but she not like, you know, she should do her look good, she don't want nobody to, you know. Yeah. No, ever look out for you.
Tell the world, me have some family member who just a tune in, me want tell them when me come up and you sure go on like me, tough like steel, and she give me a drive-by.
Yeah, she shell you out. You know, that take down that it's smooth, you know. Yeah. I take down that it's smooth, you know. Oh, and Tasha upon the case, man. See it? All right. See your friend here come here now, Tina 69. Hold on, they come through? Yeah. Tina 69, sell on.
69 or 43.
Oh, really? Oh, I missed it. I never see number, man.
All right. Good night, Elaine.
Good night.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I see you well bush out and thing.
Yes,
you come out, man.
Yes.
All right. And may the Lord continue to bless and keep you always. Okay, nice to see you. Good night, Raga.
Blessings, boo-boo. Blessings. Love and blessings, man. All right? Love and blessings.
All right.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. One Tina. All right? Alien on the showboat there. Blessed showboat day blessing. That my call birthday and a showboat day. And you step out on them down. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Greetings.
Good evening, Raga. Good evening, TamFamers. Good evening, Elaine. I call to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you have many, many more, many blessings to come. Elaine, you're so funny. You make everybody laugh at nighttime. The belly at bottom hurt me when Elaine come on the show. And I wish you many, many blessings, Elaine.
Wonderful. Where you calling from?
New York.
New York. So, you sound like you're over England, so.
I sound like I'm in England?
Now, a while ago, me hear a little Britishish accent and thing.
No, I've never been to England. Never been to the UK.
You did have one British boyfriend?
No, my uncle them live in the UK, but I've never been there.
Never been there. All right, now worry yourself. You soon go here. Me I predict it. Me I call
All
it.
right.
Yeah? All right. All right. Blessings here.
Right.
Yeah, man. Cool. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Miss Elaine. Happy birthday. Watch your ride. People am a rolling Elaine night tonight. One Sinalicious.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. We gonna sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up. It's cause it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Elaine. You're welcome. You look beautiful. I just wanted to big you up and say happy birthday. And may God bless you with many, many more. And thank you for all the jokes you give us every night. Okay, darling? And I sent a little gift for you.
Proper.
Okay, you're welcome, honey. All right.
Say now.
Yes,
Say
baby.
now. Hold on there. You didn't get the steel hole?
Which steel? What?
The steel hole.
For what?
Remember, I said you in a reach it.
No, I'm confused.
No, me send it 2 day delivery.
Raga, you always coming with some stuff.
No, it should have reached already. I think you not get it yet.
No, I didn't get anything yet. You gonna get it for me?
No, me send you the steel hole for your crub your tough kin with it and thing and whatever.
Oh, God, I hear ya. Raga, and you know that's not true because you sat next to me at TamFam and you see how nice and smooth my skin is, so you can
Hear
say
ya.
that.
Yeah, but I never feel it, so I don't know.
You can look and see how silky smooth my skin is. Don't play
Hear
it.
ya. Why yo?
Don't play it slow. Anyways, happy birthday, Elaine. Okay, and you enjoy. Tell Miss Bev I said hello. Hello, Miss Bev.
She's not here now.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, tell her I said hello. All right. Bye, Raga. Take me down, please.
All
Thank you
right.
very much.
All right, Putos. Cool.
All right. Bye-bye.
Oh, and tell Miss Bev she can listen about the show tomorrow. On TamFam TV here.
All right, no problem.
Because when the show done, I edit up, fix it up, put it up, and it launch 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. All right? TamFam TV.
Send her the link. She not can watch it.
Yeah. But it's going up 10 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, no problem.
Even though, because when this live show going to come down and whatever, it's a thing. So that it can wait name there, you know? But 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's up here. So just make sure you know so she can listen and hear the people them a bless her up, you know?
Yeah.
All right. One, Miss Bev, you know, we say respect and honor to Miss Bev, you know that? Man, wait for this person to come through. Girl so fine, say, happy birthday, Miss Elaine. All the best and more blessings. Hello.
Hi, good night, Elaine. Happy birthday, darling. I sent a little gift. Raga, good night.
Blessings, man. Cool.
If you see if it's Johnson, if you see Johnson, it's me. Yeah.
But it dead because you say you send it, so it dead.
Yeah.
Right.
No, may I tell you, say this Johnson is me.
All right then. Lock and seal, man.
B.
Respect.
Johnson. I'm not going to say my first name.
That's
Okay.
all right. All right. We know your first name anyway.
I don't think you know it.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you know it?
Yeah. No.
Oh. Enjoy the rest of your night, Elaine. Take care, Raga. Take me down. Me just
All
come up
right.
to say.
Last name Johnson. You said it. Your first name B, so we can call you BJ.
No, I didn't say B. I said D as in dog.
Oh, a D. Okay. All right, then. So you're not about the BJ. You're DJ. All right, then. Blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah. All right.
Cool. That's right. Seeing.
She's a golden girl.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good night, Raga.
Good night.
Hi, Elaine.
Hi.
Happy birthday to you. You know my favorite heart name, Elaine.
Thanks.
So I just want to say happy birthday to you. I'm gonna sing a little happy birthday song. It's my favorite song. Don't listen to the voice. I'm not a singer.
No problem.
Happy birthday to you. This is your day. Always here for you. We're gonna love you everywhere. This is your day. A happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Elaine. You make me laugh. Keep sweet. Keep be the Elaine that you are. And we know we all love you. Happy birthday.
Blessings, man. All right. Big up yourself, big singer. Okay. Broadway, your thing for that. Broadway, your thing for that. Okay. All right. Cool.
Happy birthday, Elaine. One more year from them.
Hello. Hello. My God. Okay. Well, Elaine, people them roll out and give them blessings, you know.
I'm grateful, Raga.
Right. And some people already send some things to you or whatever, so I just no, something I go on here, someone and whatever. You and yet another ANC I come out, you know. I want to them so. Portalita, Portalocious, Wagwan.
Hello. Hey,
Hell,
sisters. So, Elaine, I just really wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'm sending birthday love and, most important, portal opening powers your way. So glad, you chose to celebrate your birthday with us because, you are one of the special TamFam family people. We really appreciate you and so forth. So, just sending a little ANC love, extra ANC love.
Hear ya.
Okay?
Hear ya. Well, then our extra about it. Our extra
it's coming
about
from
it.
me.
Hear ya.
Because it's coming from me.
But we have to give honor to that, you know. From ANC, I big up Elaine in our night, and then we have to celebrate that, you know. So big up ANC, for big up Elaine.
Yeah.
Cause you wanna roll out proper fair. I like that.
Yeah, because we love Elaine. Hey. We love Elaine.
Blessings, man.
All right,
blessings.
shoes lace. No, I'm gonna take it back. Take that back.
All right,
beautiful. So
all right,
enjoy the rest of your night.
All right, Portalita.
All right.
All right, cool.
All right.
And say, Christina walked me the portal, and the rest is history. Wait there, what is? Okay. All right. Seeing Elaine. And again, you know, I know some say enough already and thing, you know, but big up yourself, you know, whatever again, you know, because you bring a joy and an elevation to enough people who listen just by being yourself and thing and whatever. We appreciate that, you know. And for the people them who feel the same way, I know I'm calling because I don't feel them think that I know some speak on behalf of them. Just know say enough people they rate you like that and love you like that and thing, you know. All right. So you don't know a straight blessings and thing. Anything you want to say to them or anybody else?
No, me just, first of all, you Ragashanti, me just want to tell you thanks. Thanks, Raga. Oh, God. Thank you, Raga.
Blessings, man. Blessings, man. How are yourself, man?
Just give me the platform, you know? When we can celebrate with my friends and my TamFam family.
Yeah.
I just want to tell each and everyone that Elaine love you people. Yes, I'm just Elaine.
Mad. Straight blessings, man. Big up yourself, man. So you know, we have a role in a TamFam, though.
Yes, the next day you feel tired.
Yeah, you feel tired the next day. So which means you have to do something to make you tired in the night. Yeah. So we're going to leave that up to you. You don't have to tell me your business. All right, we just say, tomorrow you feel tired.
Yeah,
okay.
I have my cake. I get my cake.
Make we see it, no?
You see that show off and ting.
You are so cute. So for you see your face right now. You are what? So we can't get a little prips off of the cake.
Yes.
We want to see the cake. Yeah, make sure go for the cake. Tell her trying to drop with it though, you know.
You're trying to drop with the cake, you know.
Okay. Tell her don't trip on the assack.
Yeah.
Okay. Or as them say in a foreign, older man. Wagwan.
3 man come up and last night you make sure one of the man them say nobody watch Big Beer.
Yeah. See there? Wow, that is a nice cake, Elaine. That is a nice cake. Watch ya. I don't think I've ever gotten a nice cake like that for my birthday ever. I'm thinking, well, I lie me, I tell me wickedly, but what I'm saying, that's a very nice cake. Very, very nice cake.
Thanks to my TamFam friend, I want to make it happen.
All right, look at that. All right, one TamFam, yeah. Very nice. All right, you can't get her back now. But take time, get her back, you know, make it. Well on. Go back. Come, bring it back over. All right, then. I don't know if you can hold it. Just take off a little bit of icing there, suck it off of your finger there. Yeah. Yeah, make we see it, you know. Yeah, there you go. See, watch the little mouth. Watch the little mouth. Watch the little mouth. Well away. All right, Elaine. All right. Good. Love and blessings, you know, Elaine. 51, and you just enjoy life right now. Know that here. And you know, so the whole of we there for you, just like how you there for we there for you, all right? Yeah, a family, a TamFam, Tambourine family. right? Years you juggle with me, most of 20 odd years or so we give thanks. All right, blessings, man. All right, now say a word, man. See it? Love and blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, man, cool. And people, again, one last time before we go, just for the record. Again, anybody want to send anything for Elaine? Remember, Elaine have our account on TikTok. Well, she have a whatever, but it's not connected to our account because she's not like a creator and a participator on TikTok and whatever. So, Elaine, you probably have gifts in there where people give you, if you have access to it,
Like that because Jaybird, they tell me say she give me.
No, but you have a way for check it though,
Okay.
So make somebody who you trust. No make anybody go in there.
She only fi make phone, that's all.
All right then. Yeah, but make sure you check it because you know want nobody who your password or thing or even in your business. So make a friend who you trust and thing. Just go in your account, right? And then it's intuitive. So you will see where you're not. Cause TikTok is a bit of a maze, but you will just guide you through it and you can see. Because I'm sure you have some gift in there, but at some point you have to just connect your thing to an account. Let me tell you how to do it, All right. But again, to everybody who's watching and who might be watching the show after this show, right? So maybe watching it on TikTok or so, or whatever. Again, we're gonna ask you if you're sending something for Elaine, you just send it to me and I'll send it to her. And you can send it through Zelle at 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. If you want to send it to Cash App, it's Ragashanti. So it's just Ragashanti, Ragashanti. If you're outside of the country, Canada or wherever, you can send it through TikTok to ragashanti@gmail.com, ragashanti@gmail.com, through PayPal, I should say. PayPal, if you're outside of the country, all right? I think that covers everything. And again, everything come in and whatever. I'm just going to put everything together and just send one Western Union thing to Elaine, all right? Okay, yeah?
Me just want to show the TamFam them one thing. I can show them something.
What? Your foot? Rotted. Wait, Elaine, see Queen Nash send you something there,
Hi, Queen Nash. Long time.
All right. Well, Anna, your foot that, Elaine?
Yeah.
Jeez, you know who that would like call a foot the liquid. You know what liquid? Yeah, liquid is into foot, so you would deal with the foot there properly and thing. Liquid, see Alien foot there where you want. I'm just saying. See Big Bear say bring it come there. Big Bear say bring it come. All right, bless up yourself, man. No, man, I'm glad say Queen Nash, saying because you ever bigger, you never stop bigger up, Alien. You never stop bigger up, You never stop bigger up at all, man. Big up yourself, man. She should show you some love there and thing. Yeah?
When we talk about slippers, they say slippers. When I say, I wear slippers, because I need party. And I say slippers. And this me call slippers.
Uh-huh. Okay. Right. Yeah, well, that's a very nice slippers, Yeah, it's nice. And I want Naki wear down there Texas with the alligator them. Much better than that. All right. Anyway, yeah, man, love and blessings, man, and thing. And me calling Maras and
Have a wonderful weekend.
Bamson. All right. Yeah, man, respect, man. Cool.
Thanks. Take me long.
Yeah, man.
I go work Pink Flight tonight.
Can't want that woman here, Oh, God. Yeah. Again, at the risk of being redundant, again, we just want to, restate the obvious and think that Elaine has been a source of joy for us here on many, many, many nights. And again, I'm doing this long enough to know that, a lot of people have problems and with stress and things. We all do. Care how you see people out there have it together. everybody have some challenge with them I deal with and things like that. And to be able to listen to this show and have a degree of predictability that, Elaine calls. Because like me telling, I'm used to it. So the show not organized every night, The show not organized every night, Because it's a lifestyle show, lifestyle and culture show. And nobody have a great day every day, right? But again, as I always tell it's the down days that make you appreciate the great days, It's the down days that that give the great days value, right? And such is the case that there are some nights when, the show is not like whatever. But with a degree of predictability, if Elaine calling, say, Elaine, we'll talk about something serious, and then you're still engaged, you're still like focused on the way for whatever she's saying, you still want to pay attention or whatever. And sometimes somehow, I see, I'm about to say what I'm about. But soon sometimes, I'm not pay on mind, whatever, It's like sometimes if the show kind of end up on like a little mellow type of thing, or it's kind of flat or whatever. Mrs. Somehow I put, but Elaine there, make Elaine call. Like Elaine, like when you take the woman like she did, like she program, Like she press button. Right, we don't have bright self. When you come with Elaine there, we need Elaine for call and whatever. Me soon post it in a chat all the while, And thing. But the reason why I want to do it is that again, like Elaine, you have some people that call and make a good call, right? And then them start force it. We have had a few of those callers. We don't have to call a name, Them start force it and thing, and you can't tell when them make up stuff and all them thing there, whatever, and kill themselves and flap themselves, because they're just trying to do too much. And they end up force it, and it just not dead. And the thing with Elaine now for force nothing, right? Elaine when talk about, something fairly stead, STAID, and it's not meant to be funny, right? She talk about something like fairly serious, and we end up a laugh. Of course, we also know that, she has shared with us, about her loss and how to this day that loss is impacting her and things like that. So even that part of her, we feel her, and you can't help but empathize with that, and so there's joy and then there's pain and things like that, and she has allowed us in her sphere for us to see, her vulnerability, and our heart pain, which is part of her humanity, obviously, and thing, and that just make me, what, she has gone through as a mother and things like that, and that just make us appreciate her more, and, and just be grateful and thankful that, she chooses to spend time with us, and that we can benefit from her spending time with us in ways where it brings us a joy, it brings some of us a relief from our respective stresses and so forth and things like that. And, she's valued. Alien, big up yourself, We love you, right? TamFam love you. TamFam rate you. And think, all right, love and blessing, man. Blessed Shabbat day. Honor and respect. And things, see? Cool. All righty, people, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Myself, yeah, go, ay, God. Joan Lockett, big up yourself. What Chokisha say? Hurry up and bring her the rose from Joy up so Pink Floyd can take a break. So that woman here mix up. You want Chokisha, she a proper mix up, She a proper Proper mix up. Miss K, big up yourself, man. Avril large up and things. See, Lottie girl, do so. Do so. Alright? Respect and honor people. Too sexy for you. Large up yourself. K, you don't know the thing. Go. All ANC ladies, all SDC crew and thing. Bless upon yourself, man. Alright? Everything is everything, man. See? All right, people. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. Verbal expressions. Pretty one queen. One sinner. Right? One sinner with a proper bumper. Not KB. A sheep play hopscotch with alligator. Michelle. Marie G. Nikki. Big up on yourself. Nikki baby large up. Roxy big up. Blessed large up yourself, you know. Respect. Bernadine, anyway, you big up yourself, you know. It's no sorry, I love you, same way, you know, when we war. All right. Munch British, big up. Anthony Salmon, large up. Satania, Witter. It goes a one Fritz, never two. Mavis Montague. All right. Big up on yourself, love and blessings. Michelle Grant. Lieutenant Dunbar. Yeah. Conscious Kinks, Chokisha, Black Diamond, Tattoo Studios. Why that sound familiar to me? Black Diamond Tattoo Studios. Cha-cha. Alright. Larger pool for larger. Hold on the big up on yourself, you know. Chelsea and Francis, Ines Dixon, Kathy Robinson, Patricia Harper. Big up on yourself, love and blessings. See? Yeah. Alrighty. Alright, people. And I'm Morris. Have a great night, too. And Tasha, big up yourself, man. One Pupans. Can't 2, 3, or 4. One and only. Who make the greatest bone broth. Yeah. People never hear Anthony talk to me and tell him how to make bone broth. Me I tell him, man, it's like a science to the thing, you know. A man thing no normal, you know. I tell you, man. Seeing spiritually blessed. Large up, man. Cool. All right, watch your ride. I like comments, you know. All right, people. Love and honor. Blessing.